Met please. Lordship, I beg to mention the listing of a matter for motion, Lordship. New matter, motion. We have already filed yesterday.
When do you want?
Friday.
Friday it will not be listed. Otherwise,
Okay.
it will be listed. Why there is a need to mention? If you had filed yesterday,
Yes.
come up automatically on
There is a
Friday.
number also.
It will come automatically. Why are you mentioning? It
Because
doesn't.
Lordship, nowadays this has been published earlier.
Friday list has not been published. Today is Wednesday.
In supplementary, unless there is a order of your Lordship.
Is Friday list published?
No, not.
Then, if it's not listed, make a mention tomorrow. We'll allow.
An unusual request, my lord. Listing of a matter for withdrawal. The urgency being, my lord, we challenge the recruitment process initiated by FCI. Now there is a stay operating. I'm instructed, my lord, there is a possibility of a resolution, but pendency of the writ petition is proving to be a hindrance.
But records, pressing of the records in one day is not possible.
At two, my lord, because the authorities are insisting that the
Your
the withdrawal-
resistance is not the only concern. We have to think about the registry also. Somebody has to press out the records.
it is otherwise
It's not a new
discontinued.
filing that you are in track of the records. It has to be pressed out. We'll have it tomorrow.
Unless then, my lord, is listed day after tomorrow.
Keep me to the Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for listing of a writ petition on any date next week, Your Lordship.
Petition of which year?
Lordship, it's a 2023 writ petition, Lordship. It's a covered case.
2023.
Lordship, it's a covered case, Lordship.
What is the subject matter?
Subsequently relating to pension, sir. Finalization of pension according to the AACP division of pay rules, Lord. Otherwise, division bench has passed the order, Lord. Covered.
Next Wednesday. Yes,
But I beg to mention item number 10, my lord.
Yes.
The content of the other party, but I have some difficulty to do it.
10,
16.
16, 15 matter.
Yes, that is the problem.
Why what difficult? Matter difficult. When can you?
Any date.
Hmm?
Any date. But
Tomorrow?
yeah,
Tomorrow? Day after tomorrow will be Friday. Difficult. Tomorrow?
Last week of October.
15 matter.
The last week, first of October.
15 matter. What is the matter about?
This is fixation of salary. He is a retired employee. He is getting pension. His pension is not properly fixed. One incremental benefit has not been given. As such, there is no such urgency in that way.
No, no.
One
matter is
increment.
of 2015.
Yes, that is the problem. That
Urgency
is
will
why
be
I am
on-
not insisting.
Okay, we'll have it on Tuesday next. Tuesday next.
Tuesday.
Next Tuesday. Third of October. 3/8 as the council raised for a short accommodation. Consider that matter is of year 2006. This direct this matter on 3/10.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing of two contempt case for order.
Case of which year?
Lordship, one is 2022, another is 2023.
Why do you want out start listing?
Lordship, matter relates to pensionary benefit, Lordship.
Mention both the matters.
Lordship. One is family pension, another is pension.
Okay, Wednesday next.
Obliged.
May it please the Lord. I pray for listing of a contempt matter, my lord. Lordship, in this matter, my lord, the visitation rights of a father is denied by the respondent, my lord. There is not. There has been
What is the subject matter of the contempt?
Lordship, there has been a non-compliance of an order of this honorable court whereby a father was given his visitation right, and that has been denied by the respondent, my lord. So, my lord, some urgency is there, my lord. This matter.
That's three matters.
Yes, my lord. It has earlier come up before mentioning, my
Visitation right, how come writ petition?
Lordship, there has been an order of the family court as well as the Honorable High Court matter, a criminal matter, whereby the order of visitation rights was given to the father, my lord, but that has been denied by the rest. Any date next week, my lord?
Next Wednesday.
My lord, on 4th.
May it please your
Yes, sir.
lordship. Lordship, may I pray for listing of an case in the motion column tomorrow, lordship. Urgency is that, Lordship, I'm challenging the inquiry report submitted by the inquiry officer, Lordship. Tomorrow is the last day to submit our reply. So, Lordship, take it up on the tomorrow, the supplementary list. Yesterday I have filed it. It has
What
already,
is the urgency? You have not understood.
Lordship, I have filed.
You have
I
to
am
file a reply to the
petition
so-called.
challenging the inquiry report, Lordship. And that tomorrow is the last day to submit the reply against the inquiry report to the before the disciplinary authority, Lordship. There is a gross violation in initiate the proceedings.
So what if there is a violation in the inquiry, he'll get benefit in the
Lordship,
ultimate.
the disciplinary authority is also biased, Lordship, while they initiate the proceedings.
Can we stop and in the interlocutory
Yes, Lordship,
stage?
I have already been suspended.
Can you stop it the interlocutory stage?
Yes, Lordship, the initiation proceeding is not as per the procedure, Lordship.
After submission of written statement of defense, after completion of inquiry, can we stop this inquiry
Yes,
or the
Lordship,
disciplinary proceeding?
since, Lordship, the initiation is not as per
You
the
have
procedure,
submitted to the jurisdiction,
Lordship, that
you have filed a written statement of defense.
already, Lordship, that
Now the inquiry is going against you, so we come to the court at the interlocutory stage. Can we pass any order? Difficult.
take it up on
And
the
tomorrow, on a motion day,
Friday, Lordship.
Friday we'll have.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item
60,
7. CGC Council, Mr. SK sir is not
Time for a
2 weeks,
decimal, I beg to write out.
2 weeks.
Yes.
He's under bereavement. He's under bereavement. 2 weeks. A prayer has been made on behalf of the SK who is under bereavement. Please after 2 weeks. Please, please on. Madam 12 on as stated by the parties, it's on 12.
Lordship is another case is mentioned. Item 26. This matter is also,
Similar,
yes, CGC Council.
as Gora has been informed,
Yes, madam. They can consent.
2 weeks,
That may be fixed.
2 weeks,
12 October.
2 weeks.
I beg to mention item number 77, my lord.
77.
Kindly adjourn for the day, my lord. On behalf of S. Upadhyay, my lord.
Health department.
Health department.
Have you informed on?
S. Upadhyay can inform.
He has
Health.
informed. On a prayer made on behalf of the petitioner. Matter is adjourned by a week. By a week.
After 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
By 2 weeks. Matter is adjourned by 2
He
weeks.
is suffering from flu, man.
Then you write it has been submitted as PS Padhay. He is undergoing some treatment. He is unwell. Please, Dr.
Obliged.
May I please, Lord? Lordship, I like to mention item 31. To
31.
adjourn the matter for a week. To adjourn the matter for a week.
31 is a serious matter. We cannot adjourn it. You'll have to be there when the matters are called up. We'll accommodate.
Lordship,
It's a part of the series. We cannot take out one matter. You be there when the matters are called up. Yes.
may I please, Lordship, I am paying for listing and unlisted
Unlisted. What unlisted?
pending
Speak loudly, madam. Can't hear you. What is your prayer?
listing
Listing of what?
and unlisted
Unlisted what?
service matter.
What is the stage? Admission, orders, motion, what?
Order.
Orders unlisted. Why? What's the urgency? What's the urgency?
Appointment and selection on the job.
What is the urgency? We're not asking of the subject matter. Don't come like this to yes.
No, order matter.
Order matter.
Yes. No, Please next.
Mayor, please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 2 and 3.
Two and-
Line 2 and 3, lordship.
Yes.
Line council B. Pusila, his father has expired yesterday, lordship.
Okay.
Kindly fix it after 2 weeks, lordship.
Okay.
2 and
We'll have to after 3 weeks.
Two and three is a very peculiar circumstance. Matlab, what has happened is that
You're for the other side.
I'm for the other side. Matlab, this standing council, previous standing council, Mr. Banerjee also expired
Right.
on the 3rd
Right, right.
on the 3rd of September.
Right.
Now Mr. Pushkar is also bereaved. I need some time to go through. It may be taken up on any date. I have to
Yes, have it after 2 weeks
after
or 3 weeks.
after 2 weeks, lordship.
after 2 weeks perhaps, because he has indicated that there is some urgency of come up after.
No, will his rituals be over by 2 weeks?
I have spoken to him. He has indicated an urgency.
No,
So
will
we
he
would
be able
not
to
be-
come or not by 2 weeks?
I believe so.
This court has been informed that the learned counsel for the petition has suffered a bereavement. Could also heard A. Ganguly learned counsel appearing for respondent bank. Prepare at least after 2 weeks for motion.
Not public.
Well, here I have received partial instruction, madam.
Hmm.
Well, regarding the numbers of toilets where separate toilets there are for boys and girls.
Hmm.
Some of further instruction remaining, my lord, some schools also required, madam. They have not provided the entire instruction. Here, finally, see, my lord, as per the list published with the Assam Service of Teaching Non-Teaching Staff, 6,802 LP UP school with UDI score were provincialized under the Act of 2011. But SSA have submitted list of 6,128 number of elementary school provincialized under the 2011. So that is why the remaining numbers of schools toilet facilities they are not required. That is
SSC, who is the pet madam?
I'm a
What are your instructions?
Your lordship, the Provincialization Act 2007 from your directorate, out of which you
You file affidavit.
read
Yes.
Let him know the
Right.
will issue notice. notice
Even
of motion
I
of-
filed one additional affidavit also, my lord, that maybe
You
perhaps
filed.
it is in the inside the record. my lord.
Equally.
Additional affidavit, my lord, on 25th of August, my lord.
Was notice issued? Rahmat?
Notice was issued.
Notice was issued or not?
Notice was
notice. No, my lord.
no, my lord. I to confirm,
Let us issue formal notice.
my lord.
We can try to have this admission.
status of remaining 1,572 schools have been prepared with a remark column, your lord. Still preparing the list.
Yes, Ahmad. Then it comes for the petitioner. The grievance
1, 2, and
of
5,
the
my lord.
petitioner who were appointed as head teacher and assistant teachers in the Bechamari Haj Bazar Al Madrasa, Nagaon, is with regard to the aspect of provincialization of the service under the Assam Education Contract, provincialization of services of teachers and Provincial Act 2007. Pursuant to the earlier orders of Part received by the learned counsel. That notice is returnable by 4 weeks. Elementary who, Mr. Bora?
My lord, my
TPK Bora, learning council, elementary education, elementary department. Access notice on behalf of respondent 1,
1, 2, and 5, my lord.
1, 2, and 5. Madam,
I am appearing for respondent number 3 on behalf of
he does
my-
learned council
for
access notice for service mission, namely respondent number 3.
Foreign.
Full
Five.
no, sorry. State council for
Six, ma'am.
respondent number
Six,
4 and 6. You are also for 7.
Mark.
Commissioner Secretary Secondary Education,
Secondary.
I am appearing.
Secondary
I can appear.
and 5. P does for 3. Service Shiksha as well as number 7 and 8. Director Secondary.
Millard, in this case, Millard, altogether 5 respondents are there.
No, aren't you aware that 3 respondents were
Yes.
So
Elementary is showing your lot.
no, there are parties have been added by orders of this court.
Eddie,
7, 6, 7, and 8 have been added.
Yes.
I can appear for secondary your lot.
7 secondary is 7 and 8. Director of Secondary Education,
Copy department.
Madam. Director of Secondary Education,
Yes, sir.
7 and 8. And State Council for 4 and 6. 6. That extra copy upon learned council for the respondent by tomorrow.
My lord, Elliot.
Now I can.
Obliged.
No, these six.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, as per the last order of this honorable court,
Yes.
we were asked to provide instruction regarding to the matter. Lordship,
Yes. They are speaking arrears salary.
yes, Lordship. Lordship, as
Yes, madam. Will issue notice. Do you file
Yes,
an affidavit? Heard MSD Sonwal. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Petitioners had served as LTA cum typist under the Assam Paint Price Development Corporation Limited and were posted in the Bihpuria and Gohapur branch. Full stop. Their grievance is with regard to arrears salary, gratuity, and leave encashment, as they have already retired from their service. That notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Madam, you for
Assam Teen Tribes Development Corporation.
respondent 1
Lordship, I am for respondent number 4.
and who is for 1? Government council.
Lordship, I am for 5.
One.
respondent number
WPT and BC.
Lordship, no, Lordship, I am respondent 1, Lordship, Commissioner Secretary to the Government of Assam.
WPT BC.
No,
1 is WPT BC.
five. I
it's different, Lordship, in this petition, Lordship, there is different State of Assam, Government of Assam, Secretary to the Government of Assam.
Department of what?
No, Lordship,
Which petition are you holding, madam?
Lordship,
5148.
yes, Lord.
First respondent is Commissioner Secretary, Government of Assam, WPT and BC.
please attend, Lordship,
Please
please
attend.
attend.
Here for 1.
2 and 4.
What about 1?
1 and 3.
1 and 3. You are with Mr. Dhar. What is your name? Give your name. Accept notice. Appearing on instruction of a senior. Ardhar. Accept notice on behalf of response number. Response numbers 1 and 3. Finance. Anybody? Somebody was here. Finance. Chaliha, is it there? Chaliha. Correspond number 2. And you are Madam Swami.
Yes.
This Swami.
Yes.
This Swami. Council for the response number. That extra copies can be out by tomorrow.
May I please also मला item number 92 in supplement stipulometer matter.
Item number
92.
same.
Similar.
Lordship, item
is
number
four,
4, 6,
and
7, and 92.
6 to council are different. Same council.
Same council.
The respondents are arrayed in the similar matter.
Yes, Lord.
Same 6, 7, and 9.
Obliged.
You can take this back, madam. Have it the affidavit. 6, 7. This. Eight of 7.
May I please? Last occasion instruction was for
Notice may go, we have to take instruction.
You are praying for regularizing the period of suspension.
yes, regularization of suspension period.
That is regularizing the period of suspension.
Yes, ma'am.
Your HLS sir.
HLS. ma'am.
Third page direct count for the petition. The petitioner who is an assistant teacher of Bokri Howar MV School in the district of Hailakand was placed under suspension by an order dated 21/6/2022. The petitioner was, however, reinstated in terms of direction of this court. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to non-regularization of the period of suspension from 21/6/2022 to 21/2/2020. It however transpired that the disciplinary proceeding has been initiated by issuance of a so-called notice on 16/9/2022. That notice of motion returnable by court. Elementary sending us the elementary 1, 2, 3, and 4. That extra copy side more.
Most obliged.
Obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior is on his way. Metta maybe customer timing.
Hey, Lordship.
Here for animal husband.
Yes. Lordship, in item 8.
8. You are the petition.
Yes.
Appone. Appone bottle.
Yes. Item.
Appone bottle.
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Madam, come.
I'm very sorry, Lordship.
Come.
I'm very sorry.
You have bulldozed your way. And you have dispossessed the rightful owner, having title.
Lordship, Metta maybe customer for time being.
You have title or not?
Yes.
Who is your senior?
Bikaklari.
Okay, we'll do after some. Who is for animal husbandry veterinary? They have a standing council. Kotoki. Is he around? Look after a while.
May I please allow?
Yes, Mr. Rafiq, what is this?
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship are RPF member.
Here?
They are RPF members.
RPF.
They were transferred by post order dated 21/7/2023. After that, my lord, we have challenged the order, and on the basis of the instruction, my lord, the writ petition was disposed of, saying
Yes.
that one time exemption has been given. But thereafter, my lord, what happened? They have started sparing the petitioner, and being aggrieved again, we have challenged the order. And this time, your lordship find the order. Next to phone, no? Is that page 59, Annex 4. This is the first order.
Why haven't you, when was the order passed? 17/8/2023.
Yes, my lord. Page 68, Annex 6.
No, why don't you file a contempt petition?
Here, what happened, my lord, the post order has been stayed, but we are not allowed to join our respective posts.
Won't it amount to contempt of the court?
That's why,
Is
my
there a
lord-
new cause of action?
Yes, my lord.
It is directly connected to the earlier order.
Our salary has been stopped, everything has been stopped.
It is a consequence of the earlier order, isn't it?
Yes.
So aren't you required to file a contempt petition? Is it a fresh cause of action for adjudication of a writ petition?
Yes.
Yes,
That's the order of the court.
yes, Lord. Page 71.
73.
71 and 72. 73 is the continuation. The next one. Next. Same case, 71 and
It
72.
grants the force order as well as settlement suspend. Settlement.
Subsequently, it has been extended.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, now that sparing order is suspended, Lordship. But regarding rejoining, Lordship, there is nothing special. And I have verbal communication that railway, here I have obtained time to take instruction that what will be the present place of posting for the petitioners from date of order till date of this 31/3/2024. So here my instruction, I'll get that, Lordship, that Railway Board has stated that regarding sparing, it is for the divisional authority to decide. So then subsequently the sparing order was passed, which is suspended. Now that order is suspended.
No, aren't you required to pay them salaries? Divisional office is not under you.
Yes.
Yes,
It's a part of the railways.
Part of
So
that.
what's that kind of an argument? That we do not know divisional order, divisional office will know. We'll have the divisional officer here. Who is the officer? He'll come and explain.
TCS, Lordship, Principal Chief Commissioner, Lordship. Lordship, I'm requesting Lordship, may kindly fix 3 matters are pending. All the 3 matters to be taken up together on
No,
Monday.
why haven't you complied with the order?
Comply, sparing part is complied.
No, what about their salaries?
Lordship, if I,
Lordship,
Lordship, in fact, the officers that met.
No, they have
The
to understand the import and the intent of the court order.
No, Lordship, what
Due
I,
to
what I,
sham compliance is no
Yes.
compliance.
what
Yes,
I-
we have paid the transfer order, paid nothing. There no sir.
I have informed them that since the order is paid, they will be in the same place. And because they are required to be paid their salary, I have communicated it.
You
to them.
contest the case, That's all.
Lordship will take it up day after tomorrow. Lordship,
Okay.
I will,
Day after tomorrow.
because I have already.
You advise them, they can contest the case, get the stay order vacated. But
Yes, yes.
once something, there is an
But
interim order,
till there is a stay, Lordship, they remain in the same.
same place, and just having them serving in the same place will not to them to be given the salary.
Yes, yes. That was
We'll
the-
have it day after tomorrow.
Yes.
Third, the Rafiq Learned Council for the petition who submit that transfer orders of the petitioners where the subject matter of a writ petition wherein there is an interim order of the however, in spite of the petitioners have not been paid their salaries. For the parent, Sri R.K. Chaudhary, Learned Deputy SDI, appearing for the railways, however, submit that instructions are forthcoming and the matter may be taken up day after. Please for motion.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? My husband was working as a masteral worker, Lordship, at Animal Husbandry District Office at Nagaon. He have long service, about 30 years, but department advertently not regularize my husband's service. My humble prayer before your Lordship to regularize my husband's service and give me service benefit, Lordship.
Yes, madam. We'll issue. Heard Sri B. Kakar Extended Council for the petition. It is para. The case
Lordship,
of-
my father pray kindly. I have to I will file a additional affidavit, more important document, Lordship.
will grant.
Lordship.
It is the case of the petition. Or you do one thing, then you file the additional affidavit, can issue notice.
Lordship, as you please.
Evidence. Sri B. Kakar, heard Sri B. Kakar Learned Council for the petition. Whereas the department is represented by standing counsel, MS Kotoki. Sri Kakar, the Learned Council, however, submit that certain relevant materials are left out, and he accordingly prays for leave to file additional. 1 week is enough.
Lordship.
That is matter be after 10 days to enable filing of additional.
Give obliged, Lord.
Obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? My Lord, this matter pertains to my Lord, recovery from excess dwell, my Lord. Petitioner before Lordship is 87 years old. Since 1995, I am drawing
You
family
work as
pension.
what?
Since 1995, I am drawing family pension, my Lord.
Or you work as what?
My husband, my Lord. I am not.
As
my Lord, Lordship, can you have a look at Annexure 1? There it is there. My husband worked as, my Lord, Army EME initially, my Lord, in the year of 1950.
you are getting family pension.
Yes, my Lord. Since 1990, my husband died 94. Since 95, I am doing family pension. Since 2023, suddenly, my Lord, the bank.
Yes, sir.
This allegation is against the bank, Lordship.
Let me on next Wednesday,
My Lord,
take instruction.
since July,
I'm not
they are-
opposing,
they are-
I'm not opposing. Let me take the instruction. Lordship will, if
We will have it for motion.
Lordship
next
will
Wednesday.
take it from
well, only submission, my Lord. Since July, they have started to recover that amount, my Lord. Now, even July, August, September, they have
Let
already.
him have the preliminary.
Yes, let me fix
We'll
on
try
Monday.
to pass
On
appropriate orders on
Wednesday
it.
next month. On Wednesday.
Third, the PK Decca Learned Council for the petition. The petitioner, who is a widow of about 87 years of age, was getting family pension
Since
in
1995.
respect of her late husband, Usha Ranjan Roy, who was working with the army. For such family pension, working in the army and had passed away the year 1994.
Yes, my Lord.
And since 1995, the family pension was being received. However, from August,
From July.
from July 2023, there has been a deduction from the state pension. So,
7,000 each, Milord. 7,000.
deduction. The beach of property, however, submit that the grievances against the concerned bank, PNP, which, however, represented by standing counsel, A. Ganguly, Sri Ganguly, praised for some types of instruction. This for question on Wednesday. Fifth,
Deeply obliged.
fourth motion,
My lord.
give an extra copy.
Yes, Milord. Today.
Sri Dekha would serve an extra copy to Sri Ganguly to enable
Correct.
him to seek it further.
Yes, today.
So Dekha, what
May I please your lordship, the petitioners are working as temporary casual employees in the PNRD department since more than
in the
PNRD department,
PNRD.
Panchayat and Rural Development
Okay, okay.
Department. They're working in mostly in Barpeta district and Kamrup. The petition number 1 is Kamrup district. And they have not been paid the minimum pay scale as it was directed in the Upenda's case, lordship. So that is the prayer that we may be given the minimum pay of scale. Lordship.
Third, Sri D. Dekha learned counsel for the petitioners who are temporary casual employees in the working in Panchayat and Rural Development Department in the districts of Barpeta and Kamrup. The grievance of the petitioner is denial of minimum wage as directed by the Honorable Division Bench in the case of State of Assam versus Pendas and others, within bracket judgment and order dated 8/6/2017 in WA 45 of 2014. That notice is issued returnable by 4 weeks. The antique
1 and 3,
council accept on behalf of responsible 1 and 3. Finance, Chalia. Call Mr. Chalia, we are recording his name. 3 Chalia and 10 for extra more.
Right, Lord.
May please, your lord. My lord, by way of this petition, my lord, we have challenged the order of suspension, my lord. May kindly come to page number 32, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the suspension order was issued, my lord, on the basis of a report. And the allegation against me, my lord, that I was not in the office from 10th of April, it was all incorrect, my lord. Page 32, my lord. Peruse the letter number so and so dated 9/6/2023 received from the Chief Executive Officer, Qatar, wherein it has been reported that Sri Subrata Chaudhary, accountant, Kalyan Development Block, as well as in-charge accountant attached to Katigora Development Block, Qatar, is not attending Katigora Development Block since 10th of April 2023. I'd like to pause for a moment for here, my lord. Kindly turn to the next page, my lord, page 33.
Yes.
These are the payment challans, my lord. And lordship will find the dates, my lord. The Katigora, the first line.
Yes.
This is a scheme. And date is, my lord, 27/4/2023. And amount release was this is the amount released by me, my lord. The amount will only be released after the signature of me and the concerned BTO, my lord.
My lord, in this particular case, I would like to draw your notice to page 35. They have.
Yes, my lord. We have filed an appeal. We have filed an statutory appeal, my lord, but
Yes.
it has not been considered till then.
My lord, and I would also like to bring your notice to page 440 of the Assam Service Rules. The appropriate authority is the secretary. You need to appeal before the secretary. They have appealed before the same authority who has passed the impugned order. My lord may dispose of this writ petition with a direction to file an appeal for the appropriate authority.
Now you get the instructions, we'll issue a short notice.
My lord.
2 weeks.
My lord, in the meantime, my lord, kindly, my lord, say this suspension
No,
order, my lord.
these are your averment. without their confirmation.
My lord, there is no strong prima facie, and my lord, at present, my lord, I am in my original station, my lord, Kaline Development Block, and the allegations relate to Katigora, my lord. So there is no scope for tampering of evidence, my lord.
On the first date, cannot. But let him have the instruction. They have 2 weeks. Or the RM take a learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by an order of suspension from service dated 1980.
Yes, my lord.
2023. The petitioner is serving as
Accountant, my lord.
accountant at the Kaline Development Block, Kathar District,
Yes, my lord.
Kaline Development Block, PNRD, Kathar. It's the case of the petitioner that the tentative allegation for which the order of suspension has been issued are factually incorrect. That notice be issued, returnable on, we'll fix the date. You get the instructions, Handik?
3 weeks, my lord.
My lord,
Please.
3 weeks, my lord. Kindly short date, my lord.
27. We'll have it on 16th.
16th, my lord.
Yes. But bring instructions on 16th. We'll try to dispose this
My lord. I am obliged, my lord.
on free Handik. You're a standing counsel.
My lord, counsel on behalf.
Learned counsel appearing on instruction of
My lord,
more.
In the meantime, if a disciplinary proceeding is initiated against him, so can it be allowed, my lord? No, because if this writ proceedings also continue parallelly, so the disciplinary proceeding may be affected, my lord, because right
Why?
now contemplating a disciplinary
We
proceeding.
are not saying that that is under
We are
contemplation.
not against the
That's not
disciplinary
subject
proceeding, my
matter.
lord.
Tendency of this will not have any role in your discipline. You can go ahead. There's no, that is not even the subject matter.
I don't make
Learned counsel appearing on instruction of the cake warrant. Standing counsel PNRD accepts notice on behalf of respondent number
1, 2, 4, my lord. 1, 2, 3,
all the respondents.
all the rest.
All the respondents. That extra copies of the
So on the next date, my lord, the interim may kindly be considered.
we'll try to have them implemented.
I am obliged.
Wait, Mr. Lord. Lordship, this matter relates to non-payment of retiral dues pending, your lordship.
You have retired.
Retired, your lord.
Yes.
Lordship, instruction is required, lord.
We'll issue notice.
Maybe 3 weeks, lord.
Third, the damage cluster for the petition who is aggrieved by non-disbursement of retirement benefit of the petitioner has died as up date 1 from the office of
Zonal head office.
from the zonal head of Assam State Housing Board, Silchar, on 31/12/2020. That notice be issued returnable by 4 weeks. The TR Gokul
Lordship.
and the state council accept. Therefore, therefore the board also.
Assam State Housing Board, lord.
Therefore, the board and the commissioner
Lordship.
state council accept on behalf of both the respondents. That extra copy.
Pendency may not be a part to disperse.
Tendency cannot be a part for and disperse of retirement.
Lord.
If the person is otherwise found candidate.
Mass oblige, lord.
It is, your lordship. Lordship, this writ petition is filed against an order of transfer, which your lordship will find at page 22.
92,
22,
22.
page 22. Now, my grievance before your lordship is, since last October, this is the third transfer. Now, lordship,
What is your name?
I'm at serial number 2, Abdul Momin Sarkar.
Abdul Momin.
Yes, lordship. I had joined the place by virtue of order dated 15th October 22, which your lordship will find at page 20. After this, another order was passed in the month of July this year. Of course, that order has not been served on me. But ultimately, the order dated 14 September, it transfers lordship. It is in modification of the order dated order of July
But
17th.
July order was not put to effect.
Lordship, then also lordship, within a period of less than 1 year, lordship, 2 transfers, lordship. This lordship is quite high-handed, lordship.
When did you join this Mankachar South Salmara project?
This 22, lordship, in pursuance of order dated 15/10/22, lordship, and my joining is at page 21.
What is your problem, Mr. Prasad? You are in South Salmara.
Lordship.
The district is the same. There is only a change of office.
These are in different places. Though I do
So
submit it is in the, it's in the same
Yes,
district.
we understood. You have tried to project a case of frequent transfer.
Yes,
But while examining that primary contention, we have to see what is the place from where you have been sought to transfer. It's in the same district
lordship. Yes,
from Mankachar ICTS to South Salmara.
yes, lordship.
What's the distance?
Even it's around. I am told it's around 60.
60 kilometers. What are you saying?
I don't.
One district will be 60 kilometers.
Lordship, I am not.
Tell us one district in the state of Assam, except maybe Karbi Anglong.
I am not aware, lordship. I've never been to Mankachar.
It's not more than 10 kilometers. I think less than 10. See the net, Mr. Hazarika.
Is it?
Mankachar to South Salmara.
Sure. It's in the Chor area.
And the same district.
You are there, you are from Pikamari, you were sent to Mankachar and Mankachar to South Salmara.
No, lordship, lordship will kindly consider. I joined in 2013. After 2 months, I was transferred to Hailakandi.
What's the objective of force interference? So that it's not only a matter of tenure, so that you do not suffer any hardship. 3 years, normally that has been reduced to 2 years. But here, you're not suffering any hardship. You're staying in your home.
If I'm transferred twice, how do I maintain my family?
Family,
I
you're
I
staying in
cannot-
your own home. You're not being transferred from Mankachar to Kachar.
No,
You want to go to Kachar?
Earlier it was from
We'll
Mankachar to
remove the
Hailakandi.
man from
Earlier it was from
Mankachar.
Mankachar to Hailakandi. Hailakandi to back.
Not Hailakand.
No, firstly, when I joined in 2013, after 2 months, I was transferred to Hailakandi. I went next there.
Not gone.
No, I gone.
Then
I served there. I came back. Now again, lordship, after.
you are in the same place, same district.
Same district.
No, that is not. That is not.
Within the district, there may not be any hardship.
What? Yes,
So, 50, he said
50.
No, lordship, it is not that.
road distance, because sometimes the road will
twist and
turn, that's why.
The district is such a big district.
Well, I will obtain instruction, my
Lordship,
lord. Actually,
In
saying
fact, I have
this cannot
further
be-
representation, Lordship. At least they may consider my representation.
that may be
Lordship.
considered.
If you go from here to the CGM's court by way from Khanapara, it will be more than 60 kilometers.
No, Lordship. No, Lordship. It will be not less than, it will be less than 10.
There's a phrase that also ends the crow flight. That distance, aerial distance.
It may not be.
You
actually
take
different.
instructions.
Sir.
Fix the date in the after 2 weeks. The architect also down for the petition who is aggrieved by an order dated
14
14/9/2023 by which the petitioner who is working as a section assistant has been transferred from
statistical
From-
assistant.
your statistical assistant,
Statistical assistant.
not section assistant.
Statistical assistant.
Why have you written section assistant?
The Lordship will find in the order itself.
You have in the synopsis you have written section who's working as a statistical
Oh,
assistant
Lordship, I am sorry.
has been transferred from Mankachar ICDS project, South Salmara, to the South Salmara ICDS project in the same district. Para. No, para. It is the case of the petitioner that he has joined the Mankachar ICDS project only less than a year back, and the present order does not appear to have been passed in the public interest. So that notice is returnable on three
October.
duty allowance days for some time to obtain then that notice is returnable on
Lordship, third, I will not be there. Can it be on?
This is
on sixth,
very
Lordship?
good. No, not third.
we'll have it on 9th,
Lordship.
9th of October, Monday,
Monday.
9th of October. Three duty allowance except no. You have a respondable
That's from 1, 2, 3, and 4.
on the
I will part of hybrid respondent.
5 is
that extra copy served upon him by tomorrow. Steps for service of upon the 5 steps by tomorrow. Sarah, 3 Chaudhary Learned Council pays for an interim order. Sarah, court has noticed that the interim order is of 14th of September 2020. Where have you stated that they have not just still holding the post?
The interim may be considered next date.
Have not stated.
I have not.
Let him join first, my lord. As per procedure, my lord, first he is to join, then he can submit a representation. Without joining in the place of transpired, my lord, he cannot, my lord,
If he joins the
let
It
him
becomes
join, my lord.
infructuous, Lordship.
Let him join.
It becomes infructuous.
Let him join, my lord, then he will come. If it is not,
have you joined or not?
No, I have not.
he has
I
not
make
joined.
a statement, I have not.
This one. And by this time, how many days have passed? More than
14th September.
14th, today is
Today is 27. 30 days.
more almost 2 weeks have passed. Therefore, it is direct that if the petitioner has not been relieved from his earlier post of posting common status post, he maintains till the next day.
obliged.
Yes, next. Since this order has been passed expertly, the respondent number 6, five, private respondent, he may come up alteration, slash modification, slash vacation of the same. Yes.
May I make your motion? My lord, this is for I have come before your lordship was setting aside my lord, the order of suspension dated my lord 4/3/2023, my lord. In this case, my lord, I was arrested in connection with the SCB police case, my lord, on 3/3/23, and I was, my lord, released on bail on 6/4/2023. Then I was placed on suspension on, my lord, 4/3/2023 with effect from 4/3/2023. But no, my lord, charge sheet, nothing was filed within 3 days, no review was conducted within 3 months, my lord. And only a charge sheet was submitted, my lordship will find, at page 24. That is after expiry of the period of 3 months, my lord. Therefore, in myself, prima facie, it is a
You obtain instruction, not notice. If you have not reviewed, then will have to interpret.
and my lord, only my substance has also been paid till date.
Essay he is entitled.
Yes. So that may be, my lord. No, my that may be.
Essay is not instruction, you pay the
Yeah.
otherwise you have to instruct. Third, BJ goes to counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner who was working as what?
That's Latmandal.
As Latmandal was arrested in a vigilance case
Yes, ma'am.
leading to passing of an order of suspension
My lord, page 19.
dated 4/3/2023. Full stop. This is the case of the petition that no review was conducted with regard to extension of the suspension and the disciplinary was also indicated after a period of 90 days.
No.
He accordingly submits that the order of suspension is not legally tenable. So that notice be issued written on 11th of 11th of October. 11th of October. That three as other state council accepts revenue as not the revenue but any council for one
Only one.
and CS other state council for 2 and 3. That extra copy is served by tomorrow. That 3 goes the London council for the petition raised for an interim order with regard with regard to the allegation of subsistence allowance. The
We made a representation also, my lord.
and in this regard, he has also filed our representation. Subsistence allowance of a suspended employee is a matter of right. Therefore, if the subsistence allowance does not be paid from the same petition immediately in accordance with the rate prescribed in law. Suppose the criminal case of the number ECB, case number
7/2023.
May I please, sir? As per authority, review has to be done in advance. But in a recent judgment of this honorable court, it has clarified that the 3 months 3 months period will be counted from the date of communication that he has been released on bail.
Only that is also expired. That is also. He
Yes.
was released on 6/4.
6/4, but
He has also released on 6/4.
but he has communicated to the department on 1/8/2023
regarding
regarding his bail order. Lordship.
That is my reinstatement, my lord. They are no.
Reference payload are the
We'll consider it.
Just I point out.
What has happened in this case, my lord? The petitioner was initially appointed me on 14/11/2023 as a staff nurse. So after 20 years of my lord unblemished service, my lord, she was promoted, which the lordship will find at page 18. Your lordship, her name appears at page 20 as serial number 109.
Hmm.
So at that relevant point of time, my lord, she was on CCL, childcare leave. My lord, she filed an application, my lord, on 3rd of January 2023, lordship page 22 NHFB, my lord.
Yes.
For my lord, for paying for modification of the order, my lord. She was having certain problems, my lord. Lordship will see that her daughter was appearing for her higher secondary examination, my lord, and she was
Her-
having, my lord.
We already done it now for the petition. Put up. The petitioner was appointed as a staff nurse on 14/11/2003 and by dint of her service, she along with 119 candidates were promoted to the next higher rank of what?
The ward system.
What system? However, as the petitioner was under child care leave during that period, by the impugned order dated 2/9/2020, her promotion has been cancelled.
So in fact, speaking order was passed at page 27.
Yes.
That was considered, my lord, and in fact, that was, my lord, cancelled by this way of.
However, by the impugned order dated 2/8/29/2020, the speaking order passed earlier dated 29/8/2020 has been cancelled, leading consequence from the petitioner to be deprived from the benefit of promotion. That notice should return by 4 weeks. The woman
For all the response.
Standing Council Health and Social Welfare Department accept notice on behalf of all the that extra copy of the reputation have to quantify.
No, always will the interim order with the impugned order may kindly be stated. Otherwise, my lord, if I'm reverted back, my lord, firstly there are two things, my lord, promotion as well as, my lord, transfer. So, my lord, in fact, after I joined the post, my lord, this order was passed. The joining, your lordship will see at page 31, my lord, 30-31. I had joined in the post, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, it was passed, my lord, and that too without any reasoning, my lord. Lordship will kindly come to page 30, my lord, is the joining report. I joined on 1/9. In fact, I reported on 31/8, my lord, and 1/9, my lord, I joined.
No, you joined now. Thereafter, where are you now?
No, my lord, in fact, I'm on leave, my lord. I'm on medical leave. In fact, my lord, after I filed similar, she met with an accident, my lord. She has sprained her, my lord, ankle, my
What's
lord.
the effect of staying the order?
Yes. The only thing, my lord, because, my lord, there are, my lord, recently, my lord, an order has been, my lord, the post has been vacant, is lying vacant, my lord. She can be
No,
accommodated, my lord.
if you have a good case, you have given all benefits.
Yes.
You are in the court. It's not a question of transfer that you have been transferred from zone to the
The only thing, my lord,
impugned order has only cancelled your
no, my lord,
promotion.
lordship kindly come to, my lord, the down below, my lord, space 32, down below me. Similarly, Madhuram Soika so and so, she is directed to report to the office of the joint director, DHS Morigaon, for joining it so and so as staff nurse.
Yes, this will be subject matter of challenge. Will examine this.
Yes.
When they have cancelled, can we still ask them to remain the higher post?
No, because, my lord, I was earlier appointed in, my lord, promoted in 22, my lord. The way back in 2022, my lord, I was promoted, my lord. There is a promotion. There is no, my lord. Only thing, my lord, I could not join because of the CCL, my lord. Now that was considered in the speaking order, which was at page 27, my lord. Detailed order was passed, my lord. Now, while cancelling this, my lord, no reasoning, my lord, no justification at all. Lordship will see page 27, 29th August order, my lord. All reasonings have
We have seen 1st of September order.
Lordship. But Lordship, prior to that, your Lordship will kindly come to page 27 once, my lord. Look, this is a reasoned order, my lord. A speaking order, my lord, after the DPC was constituted, my lord, DPC sat, my lord, and it was approved. The order was modified.
Extension of joining time.
Lordship, kindly go through, my lord, page 27 once. It is not that, my lord, I was not promoted, my lord. Only thing, my lord, the earlier order was modified here, my lord, I was placed in a different place of posting by way of the speaking order. Now, after I joined, my lord, this impugned order is passed.
Yes, we have
Lordship, that question I have to take.
para PRD. Long space for an remote. That by order 29/8/2020, the grievance of the petition was considered and her posting was modified to again was modified and posted against the existing vacant post of birth sister in the district hospital, Amasona. Further sub that pursuant to the interim order, pursuant to the speaking order, followed by the communication dated 1/9/2023, the petitioner has joined the post on 1/9/2023, and there is no reason assigned in the impugned order dated 2/9/2023 that in view of the above direct that till the next date fixed from the impugned order dated 2/9/2023.
Deeply obliged.
Okay.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner is a junior assistant my lord. She is appointed in the Directorate of Museum my lord, as a junior assistant my lord, in the year 2017 my lord. The service of the petitioner is promoted to the senior assistant my lord on 2/3/2023 my lord. And on 14th of June my lord, a focus notice was received my lord from the respondent my lord.
Respondent.
Respondent my lord. Respondent number 4 my lord. The assistant curator my lord. But he has no authority to give the focus by. And he could file his reply my lord. Thereafter another notice was received my lord from the and in the meantime my lord, on 19th June 2023 my lord, the petitioner was suspended and stating that departmental proceeding will be initiated against him. That is why he is suspended. Thereafter, one another focus notice was received, my lord, from the respondent number 2, my lord, the director, my lord, and he submitted his reply, my lord. But he is as a dealing assistant, my lord. He stated that I am the only follow the instruction of the director, my lord. I have nothing to do, my lord. The only drafter, I have draft as per direction of the authority, my lord. Thereafter, during pendency, my lord, and on 18, my lord, 18/9/2000,
Page
41, my lord.
4-1.
41, my lord. Annexure 14, my lord.
He was reinstated,
Impian.
Lordship.
He is reinstated, my lord. But temporarily attached in the office of the district museum officer, Dhubri, my lord. Temporarily. And in the district museum, there is no such post of a senior assistant, my lord. And page 19, my lord, kindly.
Page 19.
Lordship. And the post, there is post, my lord. One post of officer in charge, one post of LD assistant, one is peon and one is procedure, my lord.
Page 19.
Lordship.
Page 19 is annexed to
Annexure 19, my lord. Page 42.
Yes.
Lordship, in the other study case, Lordship, is clearly stated that it will be transferred, Lordship, in the other study
No,
case. Lordship.
we are not on that. We are not the respect of suspension. He says that he has been temporarily attached to an office
Lordship,
which does not have a post.
Lordship, in the other study case, it stated that, Lordship, the government is free to transfer to any person concerned to any department in any office within the outside of the state, Lordship.
There has to be a post.
Lordship.
Is there a post in that office?
Lordship, it reinstated temporary attached with that department, Lordship, attached in the office of the district museum, Lord.
Yes.
In the
The same capacity.
he is attached with the office of the district museum office, Dhubri, Lord.
He says that there is no post of senior assistant.
In the impugn order, Lordship, that is attached in the office of the district museum, Dhubri, Lordship.
There is no
attached, Lordship.
Mr. Mubarak, you cannot claim that you have to be reinstated at the same office. If they want to proceed against your department, you will be kept outside the office.
I pay, Lordship, I pay before Lordship that during pendency of the departmental proceeding, my.
Yes.
And I have been reinstated without any reason, but I have
reinstated only your suspension has been vacated.
Lordship, that is why, my lord.
See, has the proceeding been dropped?
Lordship. No, my lord.
That has not been dropped.
Lordship. So I am ready to go, not temporarily, but permanently. If they have transfer me permanently, then I will be ready, my lord. But I am suffering from a medical ground, my lord, and I am instated my paragraph number.
You are having medical grounds, you submit an application.
Look, I have already submitted, my lord, page 20.
Challenge the order of having no attached.
I have already filed application, my lord, page 56, my lord.
The aim for a count for is a senior assistant who was working in the directorate of museum and was placed on the suspension on 19 June 2023. The aforesaid order of suspension was, however, revoked by an order 18/9/2023, and the petitioner, while being reinstated, has been temporarily attached to the office of the district museum officer in his same capacity. Sir, it is the case Sri Mubarak, the learned counsel for the petition, has submitted that there is no post of senior assistant in the office of the district museum, and therefore has challenged the state part of the order 18/9/2023. Sri A. Chakraborty and the state council, however, that since contemplated while the petitioner has been reinstated in the interest of justice, he has been kept outside office in which the misconduct is related. We further submit that there is no foundation to present challenge as the order is only of an attestation. That notice be issued returnable by be returnable by not the court. We'll fix the date. Returnable on 11th of October. Giving an early date. Get the instruction. We Chakraborty and State Council accept on behalf of all the respondents.
No, Lordship, all the rest.
That extra copy.
Lordship, till then, my lord,
No, Lordship, no.
till
Then
then,
attachment order we cannot.
Lordship, if he was transferred, my lord, then
There is a
then-
provision,
then-
Lordship.
there is
There is a judgment, Lordship.
Lordship, Lordship, part of medical report, my lord, here, my lord.
The penalty shall not be a bar
Lordship,
for consideration of the representation of the petitioner,
Lord.
which has been filed on medical
Lord.
grounds.
Lord.
Obliged.
Lordship, kindly period last order dated 38/2022.
Yes. File.
No, Your Lordship, as per yesterday instructions, the matter is still under examination, Your Lordship.
The matter.
It's still under examination.
What is the matter, madam?
Lordship, regarding non-regulation of my leave period, Lordship. So this honorable court directed to file one representation before the director, Lordship, by the order dated 24/3/2023.
Have you considered it?
That is pending,
That is
Lordship.
pending, Your Lordship.
Why did you consider the representation? And this is a matter of 2018. You have got the these are your instructions or what?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Can you argue?
Yesterday I have received one instruction, Your Lordship, which is still under
Can you
examination.
argue on the basis of instructions? If yes, then we'll fix this matter on Tuesday next. 18 matter would not like to delay this matter. Can you argue on behalf of the instructions?
I'll get the instructions again, Your Lordship.
We have got certain instructions.
Yes, Your Lordship, that I have.
Are you
received.
prepared to argue on basis of the instructions
On next date, Your Lordship.
next Tuesday?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And if any further instructions are required, you
Oh, yeah.
get during this time.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Otherwise, you are not very inclined to give further time. 2018 matter. Third MSP, better said, count for the as terang,
Yes, eight.
each terang, MS, each terang, technic count, secondary education, but as is before third instruction, terang, considering that is here is for admission on Tuesday. I think Tuesday will be third.
Yes.
Tuesday is a holiday, so Monday is a holiday. Third October.
Third.
On which day an endeavor made to dispose of this property.
Obliged.
My lord.
Yes.
The petitioner passed away on 14/5/2023.
Are you interested to continue?
And I would like to take instruction from his wife, my whether he is interested.
What was the relief?
Relief, my lord, the matter is the arrears salary. Pertains to arrears salary. Arrears salary.
Arrears salary. You take instruction. 3/8 of the comes for the petition. Submit that during the pendency of the petition, the petitioner has expired. He according to this granted to obtain instruction on the further course of action. Training council. Secondary education.
Elementary.
Elementary as well as finance.
Yes.
Fundamental finance.
Obliged.
He was suspended. He's still on suspension. I got one. His case has been reviewed on 3rd June 2023. And they say in this circumstance, the suspension cannot be revoked and they may be continued. Accepting bribe of 8,000. That is the case.
So we are not on the allegation. We are on the issue of suspension.
Yes.
Was it reviewed in the stipulated period?
In first it was filed.
No, was it reviewed within the stipulated period?
That has been now they review the order.
Was it done within the period of prescribed in law?
Yes.
Within 90 days.
Within the earlier order was done. Now recently they have reviewed. That has not been reviewed. 90 days period. After 90 days, that has not been reviewed. Now 3rd June 2023 they reviewed the matter.
Yes, what is your submission?
I thought that 2019 the order was passed.
Now, what is your submission now? What do you want?
That suspension may be revoked, my lord. He may be reinstated.
Yes,
now almost 4 years passed.
Who's there? State. Adhirika. Who's the state?
Health.
Health department. Health. So, you him not don't know about. Him don't. Why don't you appear?
Lordship, here in this matter, Lordship, I have missed this matter, but Lordship, here in this matter, I have received instructions, Lordship. I'll file an affidavit.
For
Recently,
4 years, he's under suspension. Allegations are of not having a review, timely review.
Lordship, I have received recently some instruction, Lordship. Let me file an affidavit, Lordship. Within a week, I'll file.
Suspension matters pending for 3 years.
Yes, my lord.
Does it make any sense?
But Lordship, it was
Listed or not? The moment the notice is issued, you are under a duty to file the affidavit.
How long suspension?
also within a week,
Okay.
Lordship, I'll file.
Third, 3 A. Ahmed Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by an order of suspension which was passed
26
on
November.
26/11/2019
Yes.
and is still continuing. Full stop. The Learned Counsel has also alleged that there are no timely reviews
Yes, my lord.
of the enforced order of suspension with any recommendation for extension. Full stop. Para. The new commanding understanding of the Health and Family Welfare Department, however, submits that instructions have been received and he would like to file an affidavit. So, para, considering that this matter, considering the subject matter and also the fact that the same is pending for almost
4 years.
for almost
4 years.
2.5 years, not
19.
not 9,
2021.
21 matter. Filed is on 21,
Yes, filing it.
almost 2.5 years, comma. A short time. Honorable High Court by the Department. Based on have it on 16th October. File it.
Yes, Lord. Highly open. Lordship, here in this matter, Lordship, we have filed our affidavit in opposition, Lordship, and the petitioner has also filed a reply, Lordship. Can this matter be
What is the subject matter?
My lord,
For
she
areas
was, my lord, working in the BRM Law College. against my lord, a lecturer part-time. My lord, she was not being regularized. Then she approached this honorable court. This honorable court directed for her regularization. But my lord, as a one-time measure. Then my lord, they regularized her. A particular pay scale was attached. That is the UGC scale of pay. 1 month salary was given. Thereafter, my lord, everything was processed, sent to the government. Now the finance, my lord, without modification of that order, now they say I'm not entitled to the UGC scale of pay, I'm entitled to the state scale of pay. My lord, what had happened? I had filed a contempt. This order was produced before this honorable court to get that contempt closed. Thereafter, they went upon appeal by showing that same very order. No pleas of this nature taken. Now she is being deprived of that. That's why she is before you.
Yes,
Lordship, I fix it for hearing. It will take some time, Lordship. We also satisfied. Things are
Now, if
completed.
we are regularized as a one-time measure, after that, isn't entitled for the
Not a
consequence of
one-time measure, Lordship. As per honorable court direction, it was done, Lordship. Not a one-time measure, Lordship.
No, court said that it will not be a precedent, my lord.
no, after that, won't you be entitled for the consequential
Lordship is
benefit?
not entitled for receiving UGC scale of pay, Lordship, because he has no the UGC required qualification. He is entitled for state scale of pay, Lord.
Now,
So-
what are you giving her?
We have given
State
the state scale of
Oh,
pay.
you are seeking for UGC.
UGC scale of pay. And that is what was given to me in the order of regularization, my lord.
Let us see.
My lord, page 40.
40.
40. And 1 month pay was also released. And that was approved by the commissioner and secretary. The pay, what was, my lord, the final due and drawn statement that was given to me. Then my lord would have page 58, the director's letter.
If Mr. Gogoi would like to advance. the
Lordship,
document,
lordship,
will,
let him, my lord. My lord will fix a
we'll
date.
fix a date. If not,
Lordship,
Lordship.
fifth day will clarify unless Lordship
Hard
UGC
see.
required qualification.
Okay, things are complete and the matter can afford
Lordship.
as
After vacation, Lordship,
fix a date for on 7th of November,
Lordship.
on which the tenant for
Lordship.
Lordship.
Much.
may please your lordship.
My lord, it is an admitted position of the respondent that the petitioner is entitled to receive salary, my lord. Accordingly, by order dated 24/3/2023, my lord, the honorable court directed the respondent to take appropriate step to release the when the said amount shall be paid.
It is paid or not?
No, my lord.
Not paid.
Even no, my lord. Even current salary is not paid, my lord. From
Yes,
order dated 24/3, my lord.
Secondary education. And 5.
10th May, your lord.
What is
Process has been in.
court has come to finding that he is
Yet
entitled
for the release of area salary, your lordship, of the petitioner.
released or not?
No one.
Not released. This court has got to the extent of imposing interest. Have you had a look at the order of 24/3 of this court?
Last
Come to the second page of this order. 24, under such circumstances, and the last paragraph, this court
This
further
court
put
further puts the officers of the second page department into notice to replies provide interest should not be given to the petitioner for the delay caused in releasing the arrears salary, and why further such interest should not be recovered from the salary of our copy. So we need some further time to let the Mushahari.
let's talk about this observation of the court of imposition of interest recovery from the officers. Aren't you taking the matter serious? This order is of March 2020. We're at the end of September. Till now, matters should have been settled. What does your instruction say of me?
There is only instruction which I have received, your lordship.
What is the instruction?
To release the aerial salary, lordship, which is under process at the government.
How do you overcome this 24/3/2020 order?
This is an instruction of 10-5.
10-5, your lordship.
10-5 lordship is the instruction that matter was under process. So I think that's for today's instruction.
Your instruction is not in page.
No, my lord, not. Even current salary, my lord, has not been paid, my lord.
3M is plumb. Current counsel for the petitioner submit that in spite of the clear direction of this court in its order dated 24/3/2023, from neither the arrears salary nor the current salary
My lord.
have been released. MS each council represents each party has however submitted that as per instruction has however submitted that last instruction is of May 2020, as per which the process of releasing salary was on. List this case on 9th of October. On 9th of October, to enable the Learned Council for the department to place on record the present status, the conditions imposed, the order dated 24/3/2020 by the court would, however, continue. Yes.
Highly obliged, your lord.
Issue involved herein is with regard to entitlement of the petitioner of compassionate family pension after the death of her husband. My lord, what happened in this matter? The respondents.
There is a scheme.
Sorry, my lord.
Is there any scheme?
There is a scheme, my lord. Scheme says
which department?
this is, my lord, BTC, my lord, Water Resource Department.
State Department. State Department.
State Department. My lord, what happened in the year 2008? The respondent issued an advertisement for filling out of the post of junior assistant. The husband of the petitioner, my lord, applied, submitted his candidature, written examination held, viva held. Thereafter, in the year 2010, he was appointed on fixed pay basis. Although posts were there, my lord, he was appointed on fixed pay basis. Now that fixed pay service continued till 2018, my lord.
Till his passing out.
No. In 2018, he was regularized.
Okay.
And before he could complete 1 year service, after his regularization, he died, my lord. Now, the respondents are ignoring the past service of the petitioner in a sanctioned post or in a regular post, although in fixed pay, to deny the compassionate family pension. They are ignoring, they are saying you have not completed 1 year service, so you will not get compassionate family pension, my lord.
What is the minimum condition for compassionate?
1 year continuous service.
1 year.
1 year continuous service, my lord. I'll just take your lordship
Yes,
to the
yes,
scheme, my lord.
Affidavit file.
Affidavit file, my lord.
Like to file a rejoinder.
No, my lord.
Who's the
Absolutely clear proposition of law, my lord.
That is the stand, Lordship. As per our record, Lordship, 4 months, 12 days, Lord.
regarding the earlier period, how you treat it?
Earlier period, Lordship, it was again, it was fixed pay, Lord, not
No.
against any post.
Pay is fixed. That will not have any rule whether you give him or fix. He applied in a recruitment process. He was selected, appointed.
Lordship, in the advertisement, nowhere mentioned that it is against some vacancies. Lord.
Now, are you saying that his initial appointment was not against any vacancy?
Yes, Lord.
You have stated.
That is why subsequently his
Where?
service was
Where
in
have
my
you stated?
affidavit.
Huh?
In my affidavit is there. It stand is there.
Then we'll have this for consideration. On a date.
If possible, my lord, before vacation, if possible.
We'll have it on 7th of November,
7
Tuesday.
Lord.
Third pay does correct count. Also heard. Sending out finance department.
It is
And the RK Talukar sending out AGS for irrigation. Water. Reading by the contesting party are complete. Considering subject matter which is a case for completion family pension.
Family pay.
This for it on 9th of 7th of November 2020 on which it is enabled to
Highly ordered.
if you want to file any rejoinder in the meantime, you can file.
His release, man. What had happened, my lord? He was appointed as a sweeper. We advertised. Post is retained.
Which post?
My lord, this is in the Baska, my lord, Chief Judicial Magistrate Baska. We appointed him. He was working. But my lord, in similar cases, my lord, matter went to the finance for release of salaries and all. They said sweeper post cannot be, there cannot be any appointment against the post of sweeper. That has to be outsourced. Then, my lord, we were because pay salaries were not coming. We were forced to release him temporarily, subject to instructions from the Guwahati High Court and the, my lord, LR. Now, LR has filed an affidavit. Therein they say that this appointments cannot be made because in 2012 itself, the finance has directed that there should be output. But in all probability, my lord, subject to what finance would say, the posts were retained in 2015 by the judicial department. And accordingly, these appointments were made. Now, subsequently, it may be the fact that without noticing 2012, that poem, this was done. So, my lord, it's a matter which the finance and the judicial department have to see because it's not the solitary
One of
case.
the cases we have last order that
My lord, there are, I think, my lord, around 4 or 5 similar cases, my lord.
no, one of the cases of
People.
the past order, final order.
And what about food? That I'm not aware, my lord. I'll have to just.
I think
Mr. Das matters, my lord, it's still pending. Gotambaspur. He's appearing for Gotambaspur. I am having this, my lord. If I'm not sure, I'll just check up, my lord, because
one matter we have the court has Mr. On Bakta case.
Yes, my lord, that was actually much earlier.
No, same time.
All right, I'll
12 outdoor, 15
Yes, my lord.
my lord, if that is there, then
Yes,
this
yes.
man will be helped out, my lord.
I'll give the
My lord will have it next week, my
What
lord.
was the count?
Yes. But that one with me, my lord. I'll give it.
That will
Mr.
help. you, my
Mohanta
lord.
was there.
I was
Then, my lord, that will help, my lord. That will help.
There is a judgment.
That will help. Otherwise, my lord, there is no fault on their part. my lord. And we had to release, otherwise, my lord, the personal liability would have come on the officer. If that is there, my lord, can
Only
immediately.
his exceptional, not exception. The distinguishing factor that in that case he was not released. He was only paying for his salary. In this case, he is released.
Release. Same thing, my lord. If the salaries are to be paid,
consequence
Lordship.
Yes, you have a copy of the.
My lord will have it next week, my lord. I'll take it and I'll let him have that benefit.
Uh, on the chairman of the party, none comes, but this after the
Lordship. Lordship.
we forgot to call the council. Yes, yes.
I'll take this from my senior, my lord.
Much problem.
Mr.
Yes,
Belson.
Lordship. Lordship, in that case, Lordship, what happened? Petitioner is during the pendency of this present repetition, Lordship, he was died. Accordingly, his family member was substituted. Lordship, case of the petitioner, Lordship, that he is paying for a release of his pensionary benefits. On
He was his employee was working as what?
he isn't working as a teacher, Lordship.
He was a teacher.
Yes, he's an head teacher of case. Case 16 is
The initial grievance was with regard to pensionary benefit.
Lordship.
Yes.
We have filed our affidavit, my lord. His main prayer is that to release the arrears salary.
Yes.
From October 2011 to 2019.
Yes.
And interim prayer was to release provisional pension. Regarding my lord, arrears salary, we have filed our affidavit. In our affidavit, paragraph number 14, we have stated that he was transferred to Koyakuchi High School, but he did not join that high school. Therefore, the department has not released his arrears salary. Regarding provisional pension, I have to take instruction, my lord. Whether
you like to find any here is there on certain statement of fact. Not like to join.
No, Lordship, that in the meantime, what happened on 2011, Lordship, he was transferred. But he has not joined his new place of posting because of some health issues. On 2017, Lordship, he preferred an application to go on a voluntary retirement. This application has not entered in. He approached this honorable court by filing a repetition. In the repetition, it was directed to consider his pair. But prior to consider his pair, Lordship, he has attained the age of the superannuation on 2019. And thereafter, Lordship, that since he has attained the age of superannuation, his voluntary prayer has not been considered. And his pensionary benefit has also not been released.
regarding pensionary benefit,
What about pension?
I don't.
Sir, this affidavit does not touch this.
My lord.
It will be more relevant now.
Lordship.
After all, the present petitioner is the widow of government service.
Yes.
So, third age-based product.
For elementary education.
But to submit that to an affidavit opposition has filed on 27 the same party only to one aspect of the petition, that is the aspect of
Arrears salary.
arrears salary. However, the aspect of pensionary benefit has not been dealt. The same affidavit in opposition. The understanding concept according to this and is done 3 weeks time to obtain instruction. Test public file additional affidavit. But come soon, pensionary benefit.
My lord.
Petitioner has passed away, wife, widow is for us.
Okay.
Much obliged.
What are these matters?
Petitioner appointment.
These are all matters related to compassionate appointment. Now, in fact, earlier it was ought to be taken up collectively by court number 5, possibly with the intention of examining the larger question as to when a competent appointment be given, on what basis they can claim, all these things. Now it appears all these cases are listed and affidavit has been filed. Possibly copies could not be served on all of them on 29th of September. If they want to respond, they can respond. Otherwise, for
What is the larger question of the law involved?
larger question as such has not been framed anything in this case. Now,
But all their claims are based on their own individual facts.
yes, that's true. Yes. That is what I'm saying. Otherwise, the petitions are projected in such a way
Since
that
some of the cases, I'm sorry, since some of the cases are there, my lord, where lordship has decided the matter, and some other courts also decided the matter, and same matter, my lord, now it has been tagged in.
But the affidavit that we have filed, one affidavit has taken care of the contentions raised by all the petitioners.
You can do one thing, you can serve a copy of the affidavit,
yes,
even if it's not an affidavit in their case per se. But since the issue is
yes,
answered by you or responded
yes.
by you, they can take this affidavit to be also be an affidavit on the point of law and file a rejoinder if they want. Yes.
My learned friend could not serve copies, I'm told, on all of them because he didn't have numbers and all. So he is in the process of serving copies to all the respondents.
Yeah, here we can take it today. We are here. We can take the copies today if only it is visible.
Just collect the number.
We already.
Will serve.
He has to make some copies. Let him make copies. He can serve it by Friday.
Yes, sir.
You can at least get the numbers of the learned counsel and furnish the copies by Friday. We'll have this immediately after vacation.
Lordship, if it is possible, maybe fix by a date. If only it is possible.
Before vacation.
No, Lordship, any date, maybe fix by a date, your Lordship.
Yes, we don't mind having a
Yes,
date.
because a lot of people are here.
Once we get the copy, my lord, already I have got. Once we get the copies, my lord, I can reply to them.
Yes, your Lordship.
Fine.
And we can.
Yes, you'd like to file rejoinder also. Somebody or
Yes,
someone.
we will file a rejoinder affidavit.
You tell us the date agreeable to you.
Any date, your Lordship. Whatever
Yes, whatever consensus.
Maybe after Puja vacation, a lot, but maybe fix by a date. As we are a lot of us, so it will be possible to manage things then.
Fix a date for them to have the copies on us, and also
They'll serve by Friday.
and also fix a date for us to file the rejoinders. Therefore, fix a date for the file. That's for us to take care of.
No, for rejoinder, we are not fixing date. These are internal matters. We fix a date for matter to be heard.
Meanwhile, they would file it.
Within the period, we will file a rejoinder. We will collect the copies and file a rejoinder affidavit, your Lord.
I will grant you adequate time. Tell us an accurate date.
Long day.
In November. Can we have it on?
Maybe in November, your Lord.
Yes.
Long
Can we have it on 16th of November?
Yeah, that will do, your Lord.
16th of November. 15th of November.
16 November, your Lord.
All these matters are of the subject of competition and appointment. So, the Mazumdar, the learned additional advocate Assam has submitted that a consolidated affidavit has been filed in some of the cases, which could also cover the other cases. Since the petitioners may like file any rejoinder affidavit, that a copy of the consolidated affidavit be served on the learned counsel appearing for petitioners in all the cases by Sri Ardhar, learned state counsel, assisting the learned he is undertaken to serve the same by Friday. the petitioners would be at liberty to file rejoinder affidavit to the state affidavit of which as agreed to by the parties is for admission hearing on
That is the 14th.
14th.
Yes.
16.
Agree upon a date, no problem.
I think about 14th is Tuesday. Let us have it on that. Let us start.
Because it might take more than a day.
14th.
14th. 14th.
Yes.
Any hearing, Lordship.
My lord, I have a question.
Yes.
In item number, my lord, 33. My lord, the petitioner is already appointed. Oh, yeah. What happened? So, my lord, this has become infractor. So, my lord, it may be recorded as since the petitioner is already appointed. So, by virtue of that, this petition has become infractor.
33.
33. So, my lord, it may be dismissed as infractor.
33. The F one, when it comes to that hard to have who has filed with the green when it comes to the house that can still when and there is no type of so hard to appear so hard this petition has been held to be rendered infractuous and accordingly
My lord.
and accordingly closed.
Close, my lord. I am grateful, my lord.
14th.
But the petitioners before your lordship, my lord, are all members of the consumer forum, my lord. My lord, they were appointed under the old rules, my lord. And my lord, they have been receiving a salary, my lord, in terms of an honorarium of rupees 600 per day and a conveyance allowance of rupees 150 per sitting. Now, my lord, after new rules have come in, my lord, the salary that is being paid is that of the rank of deputy secretary to the members, my lord. So there is a big, my lord, disparity. Lord, and our case is that, my lord, our duties, responsibilities, everything else is the same. So therefore, my lord, we are entitled to a similar pay, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord, in fact, my lord,
Affidavit
is filed, my lord. The department was directed to obtain instructions as to whether the, my lord, the newly appointed are receiving, my lord, salaries as per the scale of deputy secretary. That's the instruction that was awaited from the finance department.
Now, what's your advance existing advance pertaining to the earlier period?
No, my lord, we have, some of us have my lord, have tenures have ended, my lord, just recently, my lord, in the month of June. But our claim is that the period in which you work, my lord, that salary should be paid, my lord, at par with, my lord, the other members, my lord, because our duties, responsibilities, everything else.
Other members,
my lord, those have been appointed on the new rules, my
lord. Rules were they retrospective effect.
What has happened, my lord, we were continued under the new rules also, without, my lord, there being any specific, my lord, but in our case, therefore, is, my lord, therefore.
No, unless the law is given prospective effect.
My lord.
Expressed.
My lord.
Law is always prospective.
No, my lord, we are not asking for, my lord, salary from the earlier period. From the date when the rule has become applicable, my lord, we want pay period from that date only, not for the earlier period.
Yeah, from the date when new rules have come into being.
So, lot of their basic period is for minimum of the pay scale law. Prayer is there, and that is applicable under that judgment of division bench law, WA 45 of 2014. So far as my affidavit is concerned, lot of there we have stated that no such proposal has been received from the concerned department so far as the petitioner are concerned.
They are consumer department.
Food civil supply.
Food civil supply.
Food civil supply consumer.
That is why their instruction.
What is the full name? Consumer is not
It's
there.
food and civil supply and consumer affairs.
Consumer.
That's what they call it. Food, civil supply and consumer.
set of proposal from you has not gone.
1 week time lot in the inspection lot.
The affidavit has been filed by Nayak or Chakraborty?
Lordship.
Finance.
Finance.
You have filed joint.
Yes, sir. Both the parent department, my lord, and the finance, both are filed.
You have also filed.
Yes, sir. Both are filed, but the instruction was, my lord, whether they have been asked to obtain the instruction, whether, my lord, the presently appointed members, my lord, they are receiving the salaries. as
1,
per-
2, 3, you have also filed.
Yes, sir. They are filed.
You filed on 10/2/2023. 10/2/2023. By 1 Timothy Jyoti Bora. Deputy Secretary, Consumer Affairs Department.
First of all, for the time being, Lord.
Now we can have some for admission if you have already filed your petition.
Okay, my lord.
Now, other matter.
It is pending since long time, my lord.
We are trying to have a fix for admission. Meetings are over. On an agreed date.
Before vacation, my lord, your lordship, they are
Before
waiting for a
vacation.
long time, my.
Vacation. Days. Is it possible for the vacation? On 10th, is it possible on 10th?
10.
10th October.
The Chakraborty,
Lordship, 10 of
10.
10 October.
I may wait for disposal of the matter.
Reading have been exchanged and the matter can be taken up for admission here. As agreed to by the council of the party. This on 10th of October.
10. Keep it.
For it.
Public.
May I please your worship? Worship, matter is relating to the non-payment of arrears salary, worship. During the suspension period, petitioner husband was died, worship. And after annexure,
Yes, the affidavit by
Education.
education. Education was there.
Lordship, actually, we have written to the inspector of schools, your lordship, for better, your lordship. We have asked for a detailed report. Yesterday only we had written it, your lordship.
Matter is of 2022, madam.
Lordship, some time may be given, your lordship.
they have taken several occasion of time, worship.
Yesterday only they had communicated, your lordship.
Today is what? 20?
27, your lordship.
27. Exactly 1 year back. Notice was on 26/9/2020.
What do I have to say?
Are you getting your pensionary benefits on?
Some benefits are get, worship.
Your arrears salaries for from 2008 to 2021.
Worship.
What is your name?
RL Sutia.
R?
RL Sutia.
Or CRL? Sorry,
D. Musa Harika.
D.
D. Musa.
D. Musar and count.
For
Tenant
second-
count. Secondary department have sub considering the subject matter involved and the fact that the matter is pending more than a year. A further opportunity is granted to enable the department to furnish the instruction to prepare at least on fix the date, madam.
Lordship. And Lordship, after 2 weeks, your Lordship.
Before vacation, Lordship.
We'll have it on 13th of October.
Lordship.
Lord.
Obliged.
You communicate with
Lordship, I.
My lord, this is non-payment of referral dues, my lord. Admitted amount, my lord. By filing affidavit, they have admitted the amount.
have they paid or
My lord.
have they paid or not?
Partly paid, my lord. Lordship may kindly come to page 24 of the additional affidavit.
Partly paid.
My lord.
Partly paid.
Partly paid, my lord.
How much has been paid?
As per their record, my lord, their affidavit, 6,62,646 is remaining.
Right. How much has been paid?
The total was, my lord, total entitlement was 12 lakhs, 18,100.
Around 6 lakh paid.
Yes, my lord. That
Nice.
they have filed an affidavit stating
Have,
that,
have we got the instructions from a client?
yes, that has been received, my lord.
When you're paying the balance amount,
They
when
have
was
said-
the when was part payment?
Date exactly, my lord, not received, but I have the instruction that they have received that amount, the petitioner.
To grant some more time. Try to
No, they have in the affidavit. Lordship, kindly turn to page 24 of the additional affidavit, which was by they have given the payment schedule, how they are going to pay.
Yes.
It was filed on, my lord, 21st of June 2023.
Yes.
Additional, Lordship has got it, my lord.
schedule.
Started from 26 page now.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly come to the turn to the next page 24. 24.
Yes. Yes, what do you want to submit?
But they are saying that they will pay 1 lakh as first installment by 7th of July 2023. That has been passed by. They have not been paid. They may be directed to pay the first installment by 7th of October, my lord, and the remaining as per their installment.
Third speech of property. Learned counsel for the whereas their Lord. Learned state council has appeared for the grievance is with regard to non-payment of retirement benefit. The petitioner who had retired as a peon from Assam State working on 31/1/2020. The claim is to the tune of 12 by common. The Chakraborty had current counsel and have paid consider that during pendency of common an amount of was it during pendency?
No, prior to filing of the writ petition.
The Chakraborty have submit that the cause of action is only a balance part of the term by para. by drawing the application
Lord.
filed by the respondent
Lord.
dated 21/3 from he submitted paragraph 5 thereof a schedule has been given for clearing dues, which however has not been followed. That we are council respondent would have that the efforts are made to clear the as the board is scarcity of funds.
Lord.
Where a bidder is a schedule has given an affidavit from the respondent board has honored the statement and honored the commitment. There we have the above. This
Lordship may other
on 13th of October, by which the Coco Incident Council is to place on record the further payment.
till date, my lord, they may be 1 lakh they have agreed to pay. That may be paid in the meantime, my lord. Yes, ma'am.
Unless there is some reason
Yes, my lord.
let them come.
Lordship.
Oblige, my lord.
Mass oblige.
Lordship, may it please this matter.
Yes.
The petitioner is a retired employee of the government of Assam. He retired on 36/18 as a joint secretary, secretary administration department. Lordship, his certain retirement dues as well as final pension has not been paid as on date, my lord. Your Lordship, there was a criminal case which resulted in discharge, my lord. Your Lordship may have a look at the last order, 4/8/2023. The respondent authorities were directed to finalize the pension papers and forward it to the government of Assam in the finance department.
My lord, we have filed an IA for vacating for modification of that order, my lord, order dated 4/8/2023. We have filed the IA today. So in fact, the departmental proceeding against the petitioner is pending at the final stage. And because of the pendency of the departmental proceeding, my lord, we are not in a position to finalize the pension. Provisional pension he is getting, my lord. The IA may be, my lord, Lordship may take up the matter along with the IA.
When have you filed it?
We have filed it today.
Lordship,
Without
he's
copies?
wrong in
Yes.
submitting.
Yes.
The department proceeding has resulted in, because they have annexed it without prejudice to the case filed with the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Bureau. I may conclude that the charges level against so-and-so, Deputy Commissioner Chirang could not be proved beyond reasonable doubt.
No, that
It
is
was
the-
way
that is
back
the-
in
that is the-
2018.
That is the
So
enquiry
then
report.
also they have preferred, the higher authorities have preferred review, which is barred by Lordship. There is no provision under the rules.
No, note of disagreement has been given. That was the enquiry report. Enquiry
You have
report
the IA on record. Will
Lordship, Lordship.
where have this has been stated in the IA?
They have
Yes,
stated,
The part which you just read out,
my lord.
part of the IA.
yes, yes.
Yes,
The
part
enquiry-
of the eye, yes.
Copy has been served upon.
Just few minutes back.
Okay, well, let
Lordship, may I pray, my lord? My lordship, without providing final pension paper is different, my lord. Subsidies allowance, leave encashment, all these are due, your lordship.
period
That
has to be
I am
regularized.
entitled to, my lord.
Period has to be
we'll have a
regularized.
look at the IA. We'll see
Lord.
what they have stated.
Lord.
We can have it this week then,
Yes,
Yes.
my lord.
or Monday,
Monday,
Monday is a holiday, your lordship.
or then Wednesday.
Lord.
Fine.
Excellent. Friday also.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship may have on Friday. Lord.
Third, must be pay- also in a submit that and has been filed with modification of the interim order date would have been passed the that I listed along with let it be next
Wednesday, madam.
based on what it
Fourth.
It will be
Tuesday or
Look, let it be on third. Third of
Mangalwar.
because this might become
for numbering.
whenever it on the third.
Third.
But get it these days are Monday is a holiday.
Till Saturday, my lord, working day.
You get enough time to get it numbered.
Look.
Third, you
For admission, hearing and disposal.
Now I will come for auto stroke.
whenever
Lord, well,
Tuesday
in whatever
every
column
day,
it comes.
don't
Lord,
worry.
Lord.
Whatever category it comes.
Fine.
Lord.
It is a very unfortunate school, my lord. After provincialization of the school, the staff of the school, my lord, they are not getting salary.
Yes, provincialization matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I don't think this is the ambit of that order good and special.
My lord, the similar order, my lord, they preferred review before the honorable court, my lord.
No, there is an order that matters, but special.
Special.
Is it one of those matters or is it a
No, no.
different kind of?
It's a provincial, already provincialized, my lord. This is a school, my lord, already provincialized. The staff are not getting salary. Because of
Provincialization is not the
not the school,
okay. Yes, sir, that's salary.
only the salary part, my lord. Now, my lord, they are refusing the salary.
System. Is it the bench matter?
My lord. Education matter, my lord. Bench two. Bench three. Bench four.
Yes. Why have it with salary?
My lord.
Why salary they have not been?
This is, my lord, as per their record, the code of the school was not there during 2009, 2010.
2009.
That is their case.
Affidavit file.
Affidavit, my lord, file. Affidavit file. Now,
What have you said
my lord,
on that aspect?
dice code was there. They have received the application. They allotted the dice code. Only the district code was not there in the dice code. District code was not mentioned. That was the wrong on the part of the respondents on itself. This honorable court in a judgment held that even if the dice code is not there, if the school was in existence prior to 2006, provincialization can be considered. And accordingly, provincialization has been considered on the basis of the dice code which has been allotted. Now they are accepting the same dice code, my lord. It is not that they are given a separate dice code down.
Same dice code.
Same
now.
dice code, my lord, on the basis of which my school was provincialized. Only the district code was missing initially. Subsequently, they have inserted the district code also. I will take your lordship to the provincialization order first, my lord. No, the dice codes, my lord. Dice code, lordship will find at page 24. Page 24. This is the dice code for the year.
Let us see the order of 1710.
Yes, my lord. That is at page 100, my lord.
Name of School is Sapurigaon.
Sapurigaon LP School.
This one was 101.
This order has been passed as a speaking order in compliance with certain.
Yes, ma'am. This is third round of litigation, ma'am.
Should examine this. Mr.
My lord.
It is when can you be ready?
Next
For
week, my
the
lord.
Since
Next
when
week.
are you not getting benefit?
My lord.
Since when you are not getting benefit?
From the date of
Beginning.
provincialization, my lord. 1/1/2013. We are not getting any benefit.
Look at this matter is of 13 and there were earlier litigation.
My lord.
To trace back to 13, the whole man.
My lord. Next
Bora
Tuesday, my
from
lord.
home.
I am for SSA. I have filed my affidavit. With the Gaya code is from 2014 to 2015. There is no direct 2009.
Without dispute, the school cannot be provincialized.
My
That
affidavit
was
that is filed on
7 and 8 have filed it. You have not filed it.
No.
Why? The decision is yours,
My lord.
not of SSA. You have to send your decision.
Yesterday we have received the instruction, my lord.
How soon can you file the affidavit?
Instruction. About order.
We thought it was your affidavit.
My lord.
We thought the affidavit decision record is your SSA. Ultimately, your decision you have to defend.
Okay, allow me 1 week time. And
We'll pick a date.
my lord.
Or
We did happen.
which has which has filed it prepare for disbursement of benefit for this program of school education. There have earlier round of litigation which the matter was demanded and by the order 17/10/22 passed by direct he claimed that to the as by the effect in a which department has not filed that repeat out of the 10 of the but and considering subject this is not
date, my lord.
I will know 16th of October.
That week will
But
be, that week,
Friday.
that week will be the motion day that we will. Then it is
There are
prior.
13th of 13th.
How does-
Okay.
This is regarding my lord, who is a retired employee, he is a
non-payment of salary and retirement benefit, other retirement benefit. So last order, your lordship kindly see 18.9.
Yes, you have, some of the grievances have been raised.
My lord,
Your grievances has been raised to a great extent. Do you have the instructions? The month of
yes, my lord.
latest instructions you have? Do you have the latest instructions?
No,
You've
my
given
lord,
a copy.
I have instruction, my lord. That is, your lordship kindly say they have said they are all full. They, in fact, my lord, by filing affidavit, they are telling lie before dishonorable court. That my lord, court can, my lord, your lordship kindly say they have fully paid our my amount, my
No,
lord.
they have not said.
No, no.
Area for 10 months will be given. Others have been.
Are not paid, my lord.
Nothing has been paid.
Only, my lord, CPF paid, my lord.
There is no scheme ethic.
No, you see the second line of this instruction, paragraph 2. Further, in regards to the release of arrears salaries for 26 months, it may be stated that we have already released arrears salaries for the month of June 2020 to September 21 to Deposit Sharma along with the salaries of other employees after receiving devolution funds from government of Assam. Sharma's share of arrears salaries amounted to 17 lakhs so has been credited into his individual account on 18 to 2023.
The balance arrears will be paid as and when
10 months.
10
months.
That's why they have given only, my lord, 16 months. But in their affidavit, they have stated, my lord, full paid, my lord, 26 months.
Your lordship, that is what, and also in our affidavit also we have stated with regards to his claim for gratuity and leave salary, we do not have the scheme at all. They
My
cannot
lord,
simply ask for a particular scheme to be formulated just because they want it. The other employees also.
You do want
Nobody has got that particular.
You do want you put this on record.
My
This
lord.
particular instruction is on record. Third, CCJ Master account. Also heard 334
456.
Then it comes.
No, I'm for
No, my lord, today, your lordship kindly go by the last order, my lord. Kindly, your lordship. So that, my lord, that information has not been furnished, my lord.
We have received it from the instruction from the director.
Because, my lord, other municipality, my lord, leave salary, everything has been granted. There is a provision in the act. Now they said, I have not adopted. My lord, what is this, my lord? Some municipality adopted, some not adopted.
But what about the statement regarding payment of CPF of 6,89,000? Has this been paid or not?
No.
Paid. It has been deposited, your lordship.
No, CPF, only CPF paid, my lord. Only CPF paid.
Instruction was to only on the aspect of CPF. The last order,
my lord,
which you are referring, order it is 18.9.
No, that is actually, my lord, leave salary. That's why, my lord, administration, because they say that we have not adopted leave salary and gratuity, my lord. That was the crux of the matter.
Don't have the scheme.
You
don't have the scheme. That is not will do, my lord. Your lordship kindly let them.
Will do it.
We put this on record.
No, my lord, that, my lord, whether that, my lord, regarding the leave salary and, my lord, gratuity, let them, my lord, let them file an affidavit, my lord, on that.
That is what,
my lord.
Also, as well as council for
456.
Who are the
not even
for the not municipal not very much good. The state respondent numbers 4, 5, and 6 have also filed an affidavit opposition on 11, 5, 2020, which has replied by the
my lord,
by joint dated 14, 6, 2020. Three Bora has placed on record dated 26/9 that certain governor very has stated certain of and has also that there is no response on the aspect of leave encashment benefit
And gratuity, leave salary and gratuity.
and gratuity.
That is as per act,
The
my lord, it is
Senate
entitled.
Council Bora is accordingly directed to file an addition to bring on record the present instructions as well as the stand on the claim of leave and benefit. Just such affidavit filed within a period of 2 weeks.
We have also stated that gratuity and leave salary, we have stated in an affidavit file earlier that we have not introduced that claim. That's why nobody has got it. We have stated in an affidavit that particular. In an affidavit of course.
You have already stated.
Yes.
Where?
At paragraph number 6, page 15.
If that aspect has been, will examine that aspect.
My lord, we have filed a reply and that's why, my lord, municipal administration was asked to whether, why it is, how it is affected.
No,
That is
Mr. Mantha, simply because they have given their stand on affidavit doesn't mean that we are accepting. But
my lord,
what,
man,
what,
this is a provision of the act,
what,
yes.
what we are trying to has been dealt with. Whether their perception is correct or not will take us for.
My lord.
But since that has been dealt with, there is no requirement to file addition or include that aspect in the addition. Addition affidavit only will be pertaining to.
My lord.
To put on or the instruction which have received, which has been furnished by dated 26/9 with. And this you can take it back.
Oblige.
Yes, Mr. Vasan. What's the name of the client? Our client, the Akuti. Did you apply for the post?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
For the substantial post of director?
Yes. He was then deputy director. He applied.
Huh? Paragraph? I think we should make the development transparent to the parties so that for taking a further call in this. In the shortlisted list of 11 number of candidates, petitioner's name is not. And the name of the respondent number 5. 5 or 7? 5. 5 is there, along with 10 others.
So out of total number of 8 applicants, only one has come.
Till
IIT Guwahati 8 applied, so possibly only R5 has
from
been.
IIT Guwahati, there are 2 persons. IIT Guwahati, 2 persons. May not disclose the name of the other.
No, I'm. But R5 is there.
Total application received was 53 as per the information revealed by Mr. Bhattacharya. And out of 53, 11 have been shortlisted, which includes respondent number 5, but does not include the name of.
And the presence of the respondent 3 is there.
No, there is another note, which is part of the forwarding. I do not know whom it has been addressed. It has not been addressed to anybody. It may kindly be brought to the notice of the Honorable Court that Chairperson IIT Dr. Spencer has not attended the meeting today and will not attend the meeting on of Search Cum Selection Committee tomorrow. Wait, we have not. Have we asked you to say anything? Why is it fixed today? Why are you so excited about this matter? He has not attended the meeting today, means this date is yesterday, and the matter and will not attend the meeting of Search Cum Selection Committee tomorrow. That is yesterday. That is the position which has been officially been communicated. We can have this by way of an affidavit. We want the fairness to maintain. That is our only concern. Nothing else.
Yes. That's most important.
And since you are not amongst the shortlisted candidates, unless may not be a very technical view, but substantial, unless your deletion of your name from the shortlisted candidate or non-consideration of is put to challenge separate. In
that
this
part, it is not part really of the writ petition.
in the present challenge, that will not even come.
Your Lordship will keep it open. Only so far as the officiating part and his participation, these are 2 parts.
His participation, he has said that he is not participating.
That can be recorded then, and
and regarding the first part also, we have not expressed our mind. We have heard good parties. While hearing, we might have made some comments, but that is not not a part of the judgment. Passing remarks or whatever. So since we have not really decided the issue, will really help for deciding the issue since the final selection is on. That is one question which may arise. It will be an academic thing. Prima facie, there are materials to show that the ad hoc arrangement was not done in accordance with law. That we can say. But will that help anybody for the cause of?
Miller, there are two things. One is only the facts of this case pertaining to the petitioner before your lordship and the officiating appointment. Vis-a-vis the other seniors, let us put it.
Just when, by what time are you expected to complete this process?
I thought one, then there.
Because the first meeting was held in June, 15 June 2023 for shortlist.
So this was not disclosed to the court, Milord. In fact, Milord, the impression was given that 300 and it will take time for shortlisting. That was
Shortlisting was done on 15/6/2023 as per the official communication.
Then I don't think it was a very fair disclosure to the court.
Yes, please.
After second meeting of the final panel will be submitted for approval of competent.
No, that we know. But how tentatively, how much time will it take to finalize and make the appointment? So now, Mr. Bhattacharya, you are the appointing authority. IIT may not have a role directly.
Yes.
It's you, it's the council who will appoint. Director will be appointed by the council. Understood, but it's the appointment by the council.
Council.
COD council.
Yeah.
The chairman is a part of the council. That's a different matter. The council will make the appointment through a particular officer. See, there may be more than one aspect. The chairman's role in the selection, there is a communication which we may say, we may ask you to put on affidavit, but that is not the end of the matter. The shortlisting was done in June. Did he have any role in the shortlisting of Kenya? That is one aspect.
Yes.
If he had a role, it might still be shared.
Yes, absolutely.
If both of them were in the fray, matter would have been slightly different. One is outside the fray.
Yes, absolutely.
And if both of them are outside, then also matter would have been.
Correct.
Now this, they slightly appears to be
So I think they should really file an affidavit. They should file an affidavit.
I think this matter needs to be, everything has been recorded. Let the affidavit be filed. Short affidavit that I think you have to file. Your Gautam, I think you have to file. If you have recused yourself from the process of selecting
on 25th, 26th.
Well, it's not only 25th, 26th, but even on the shortlisting. Did you have any role in shortlisting? And this which has been revealed by means of a very unofficial kind of a communication, that needs to be on an affidavit.
That should, the Union of India should file an affidavit on 2 points, Milord, as indicated, and also the additional point which your lordship is very rightly pointed out. If it is done in June, whether he participated in shortlisting. That is the point the Union of India has to say. That will absolutely be the correct approach.
Because first part deciding, even if we decide in your favor, it is not going to make any difference.
No, well, that is not
become an academic discussion.
That is right. But if he has shortlisted, participated in shortlisting, then it will have some implication. So let them explain that, and because the
how soon can you get the affidavit?
Because I am sorry to say, but they have given an impression that it is still on. That was not the right thing. If it has been done in June, they should have told the court very frankly. There was something wrong in the whole process.
No, we were not aware whether you had applied, number one.
Yes.
That is the first question, whether you had applied.
We applied.
If you had not applied, matter would have taken a different.
We applied.
If you had applied and your candidature has been rejected or not found to be within the shortlisted candidate, then
and there he participated, your lordship is very right. So this doesn't answer that question.
Mr. Bhattacharya, how soon can you file? Not 10 days. Only this part. We have already communicated. One of it. We need to have some affidavit.
Yes, and also that fact, my lord.
And on June.
When it was
Whether he had a rule.
shortlisted, whether he participated in the shortlisting, that is more important.
I think affidavit will not call for chairman. Will call for your affidavit.
Yes. Because
You are the
they
authority.
have the record who were the persons who shortlisted, whether he participated, they can say.
Pursuant to the order passed yesterday, that 29
25 to my word,
he as Bhattacharya, the learned thesis has placed certain instructions regarding shortlisting candidates for the post direct of IIT. The instruction as direct was placed in a seal copy. The instructions have been moved and it revealed that 11 candidates have been shortlisted for undergoing process selection. The list of candidates does not, however, contain the name of the petitioner, whereas the name of the number 5 is there. There are on a specific query by the court of Sri Goswami, the letter senior counsel has submitted that the petitioner had offered candidate for the post of director pursuant to the advertisement dated
Sector 4. No,
there is no date of the last date of which was fixed
on 28/2.
2020.
Yeah.
The instruction also contains a statement that the chairperson IIT Kohan, Dr. Rajiv I. Murthy, has not attended, did not attend the meeting yesterday, and
is not going to attend.
has not attended the meeting presently held, which was scheduled on 25th and 26th and 27th.
27th is today.
This court is of the opinion that the aforesaid aspect should be put on record by way of an affidavit to be filed by respondent number
126.
To a competent officer. Full stop. The state affidavit, the instructions also reveal that the first meeting of the third term selection committee was held on 15/6/2020 for shortlisting of candidates. So, therefore, the affidavit is also required incorporate the fact whether the chairperson of the IIT Kohan, Dr. Suren, had participated in the state process of shortlisting of candidates held on 15/6/2020 The aforesaid facts are required to be put on a set as it would, as those who have a material hearing in the adjudication of the issues raised, issues involved in the present.
And the records, my lord, in the first order itself it was directed that records to keep the records ready. They have not
This
produced.
matter, when this matter when stage 7, we'll have it on 9. Give you more than a week.
9th of October. As well.
9th of 20.
Look.
Uh,
The relevant record.
Since there is already an order for production of the record pertaining issue involved, the Bhattacharya will produce the same underneath.
Yes. There is
Since this matter has substantially heard, since the matter has substantially heard and the hearing is almost this has started.
You know, may I only take one more minute, my lord, because my learned friend Kamal Chaudhary said that I placed page 25 and not placed this paragraph. I want to just show that, my lord.
Which one?
Page 25 of that meeting, my lord. 62 meeting. I placed this paragraph and I said that the first part doesn't deal with it. Go to the second part. That is correct. And he was saying that I did not place this first part. He is also right. And I told your lordship that first part will have no bearing. Go to the second part. Why did I say? I just want to explain. If your lordship sees the first part, the
first is for regular appointment.
No, that's right. That is the only reason why I said that it doesn't apply. Therefore, you come to the second part. It's not as if I have not deliberately.
No, that was not.
That
perhaps was not his intention.
I think so. And the second part, my lord, the persons are identified. In the first part, it is not identified. First part says, or second part says, if you have a deputy director, go to him, or the senior most, or any other, or from any other institute.
Which
page 25,
yes.
The second part, if your lordship see the difference between the two parts, one is the regular.
Item number 7.
Yes, item number 7.
Yes.
First part is relating to the regular.
Yes.
Therefore, nobody is specified. It is the people who will apply, and then it will be. It is only a process that they will be assisted by a committee in this selection process of the regular candidate.
Correct.
But the second part dealt with officiating.
Right.
Here you are getting an identification of the three persons. See this, in the case of short-term vacancies of appointment on an officiating basis, pending selection as per above procedure, that is the first part, the chairman of the council should make the appointment in consultation with the chairman of the concerned board of governors.
Correct.
Here, below the three options which I showed from your from the RTI reply as well as at page 6 of our petition, the three options have been exercised during the entire history of all the ITIs. Deputy director, if he is available, or the senior most, or next one, or the director from another. So these are identified.
And, one more small. When were you relieved from the post of deputy director?
Recently, I think. It's a term post. Huh?
That is it. When you
I will get the date.
But as on 28, you were there.
28, I was there. When we applied, July, in this July, end of July, I think his term is over.
17th.
Huh?
17th.
17th July, my learned friend tells me. On the date of application, I was deputy director. This may be kept on record. The instructions were is still covered and were are direct with are marked which are in 3 numbers of are marked as X as flag X. Yes. And direct made part. Develop. But this matter should have been decided at least before this present development. Now, when the court inclination decided come back with us. But it's
That is why we prayed, I don't know, at page 30, that at least give a declaration that this is not repeated. It's a very bad practice.
Yes.
Appeared for respondent number 7, madam. And so we required for filing affidavit position.
And
My lord, I have prepared the affidavit and sent it
your
to
AG
for account.
and 7 is
Private respondent.
okay. Let them file affidavit. Madam, here for somebody. Agriculture. File affidavit. Okay. The learned counsel for the respondent name Sri A.R. Partidi for respondent number 7. Sri Hassan, standing counsel is and MS Bora. Learned standing counsel agriculture department. You are also there. File affidavit. Will you file affidavit? Pray for another grant. 3 weeks time. File affidavit.
Obliged. This is regarding arrears salary, my lord. The Lord may peruse annexer.
Yes,
annexer 2.
Which department? Chaudhary, which department?
Education.
Education.
Secondary.
Secondary education. Madam Charan. Secondary education.
Under process lordship.
Also, dispose of the matter, my lord, with the directive, my lord.
Instruction.
Yes, my lordship, I have it, but I didn't got the printout. It's still on process, my lord.
Only area is admitted part, my lord, only regarding amount that will be calculated by them, my lord, as per the order. Annexer 2, my lord. Increment has been given effect to from 1/11/2000.
On Wednesday, you place your instruction. Or day after tomorrow. Day after. Let it be on record. We can please you're going for
yes.
Let there be something on counsel for the MSc Charan. That to instruct that some have just this on 29 to place the instruction on to place the instruction.
Much.
My lord, you have to receive the instruction.
Lord,
what has happened, my lord? We have been pursuant to a cabinet decision, my lord, we have been regularized, and a fixed pay of rupees 15,000 was proposed to be given. Now, my lord, suddenly after this decision, my lord, inquiry had been conducted and said that, my lord, we cannot be regularized. That fixed pay benefit cannot be given, my lord. That speaking order is under challenge, my lord. Short accommodation can be given, my lord, because petitioners are without salary.
Have you seen the last order, madam? Last order of this court. Failing which the court shall consider passing consequential order against the addict. Notice was issued in February. We are in September. Last.
We have communicated your lordship on last part also.
Your communication is not to department. It seems is not very serious with High Court matters. That is the impression we have. And here there is an order from this court, consequential order against the erring respondent. What is
Lord, the Commissioner and Secretary, my lord, School Education, Director of Secondary and Inspector of Schools, at page 9, my lord.
How do you deal with this order? Consequential action against the erring respondent.
My lord, on the next day will take the instruction.
Next day, if you do not produce the record instructions, we'll call the office. We'll make it clear. When this matter was listed on the last occasion, that is 21/8/2023, following order was passed. Good. 21/8. Sarah, I must H. Terangpi, Turning Council of the Department submit that instructions are yet to be received in spite of communications being made. It appears that the department is taking the matters of the court in a very casual and negligent manner. Sarah, in the interest of justice, further opportunities granted to the department to furnish the instructions by the next day fixed on fixed on 13th of October. In case of failure to furnish the instructions by the extended date, this court shall explore the option of directing personal appearance of the office concerned.
I pay for little accommodation. I have received the instruction. If there is an order reflect that last occasion I directed to file affidavit, Lord. Somehow it was missed.
You have received or not?
I have received.
Let them fix my 3K go in understanding council.
Tesco University.
Secretary or higher.
Tesco University.
Tesco submit the instructions and it may be granted to file the affidavit. List of the
After purification, Lord, I will, in the meantime, I will file.
list of the after 3 weeks to enable filing of
Please, my lord.
My lord, instructions are awaited in the
You're for which?
APDCL.
APDCL.
Lordship, this matter was earlier decided and they are not being given the minimum pay scale, Lordship. So,
I think have the instructions come up for the first time.
this is not a new matter, Lordship. So they may obtain the this is not a new one, Lordship. At page 85, the directions were clear, Lordship.
This it said now to motion. Thereafter it has been listed first.
Lordship. Lordship.
What is your name?
My lord, PR Sharma on behalf of SP Sharma. The SP Sharma.
PR Sharma that council appearing of the SP Sharma standing on submit and please and grant 3 weeks time to obtain it.
Highly up. Please, Lord.
So she may kindly see last order here, 14/9/23.
Yes.
So I have been paid, but less amount.
And it?
My lord, the subsistence allowance has been paid to him, my lord. We have received the instructions.
Subsistence allowance paid?
So she paid, but only 1,19,431. But net payable is 3,03,024 rupees. Yellow. I have made a self calculation. Yellow.
What is the calculation you have done? How have you assessed the payment payable?
My lord, I have.
Have you followed the prescribed rate?
First para of the order.
Me look at
Mr. Andy, file a short affidavit, put this on record, let him know what is this is of your calculation.
My lord, the AG's office, the Accountant General's office would be in a better position to give the.
Who is for the AG? AG is a part.
Yes.
AG. Saluda, are you aware of this matter? Get the instruction because this calculation is different. You just have to ascertain whether you have followed the prescribed rate. While P. Henrik, representing the Panchayat Rural Development Fund, has submitted that subsistence allowance has paid from the RHO,
yes,
then a conflict position submit that the payment they do a claim for payment has been made, the total entitled has not been paid, and in this regard he has
self-evaluate
placed on record a sheet of the assessment done by food procurer Sri R.K. Talukar, sending on AG, which is the competent authority, is accordingly directed to place on record by way of an affidavit the manner by which the assessment and the figure arrived at. How much time? 3 weeks time, Lord. This after this you can take. But you have this. You can do it on the next.
I thought pertains to non-payment of family pension. The husband of the petitioner died, my lord, in the year 2004. And
2004.
4, my lord.
Affidavit
After-
filed.
Only respondent number 4 file affidavit.
Who is
my lord.
4?
Is the my lord, director of agriculture
The parent
department.
What is their stand?
Stand, my lord, in similar fashion, this honorable court passed an order, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, Annexus 6/29. In that case, my lord, the petitioner retired prior to regularization, but
That
this
is
honorable
retired,
court,
yeah,
my lord, directed to pay family pension.
My lord, not saying, my lord. Here, the petitioner, before regularization, my lord, he has expired. And in that case, my lord, he has,
Then we hear
it is to be heard. my lord.
admission hearing.
My lord,
Monthly pension
my lord, my lord.
matter. It will regard for claim for family pension. The department has filed an affidavit on 38 and current conflict for parties submit that the matter can afford disposal at the admission. This for admission on
After vacation, my lord.
on 9th of November.
My lord. Oblige. May please, my lord. My lord, can you lordship accommodate us for giving 4 weeks time for filing our affidavit?
Have you seen the last order?
Yes. My lord, the instruction what I am having, the partly. That's why, my lord, I need the
In
entire.
the meantime, respondents will file their respective affidavit.
Yes.
The matter relating with court shall consider to pass the order in their
I think.
Yes.
I'm sharing for my on behalf of my
the as Dr. Senior Counsel representing the bank.
Bank.
The Punjab National Bank submit that part truck have been received and we place for some more time to obtain complete instruction and not file affidavit.
No.
It is to persist the it is to let the matter call after food by which time the affidavit in opposition by the respondent bank. But
Much. Please, your in this case, I am appearing for respondent number 4 and 5. As everyone already we have directed the college authority to release the all and onward. There is a dispute between the earlier principal and the petitioner. That's why the
which
salary was
college?
not
Memorial College. Which college?
My lord.
College, my lord.
Let it be paid then.
Lordship, already we have there is the order of the government lordship.
We take over
My lord may
Standing Council of Higher Education
Lord
has submitted that as per instructions directions have been given by the department for release of all the entitled
Lordship 46,28,933
which could be done soon.
by the college authority. Already we have they have to submit the non-dual certificate and undertaking lordship. That is
In this connection, the Kogoi has also placed that communication made by the certain communication made by
regarding this non-dual certificate I have placed for. I'm for respondent number 5 lordship.
5 is college. We are heard Senate Council for respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5. The college in question has also submitted that non-fail certificate is granted has issued by the college, and the matter is likely to resolve soon. This after 4 weeks for up to date.
Otherwise, Lord may also close the matter with that also, because Lordship already government has sanctioned it. Did you have to submit the bill, Lordship? Then
Let it be paid.
Lord,
Let it go.
Lordship. Allah Jarur.
Regarding remuneration of elected members of the Panchayat, while issuing notice on 13/9 last order,
Yes.
Lordship was whether it is covered the coordinate transaction for 1
Covered.
But it appears to be time-bound claim here.
Right.
After more than 5 years, they are now claiming your.
File an affidavit.
Yes.
The state court understanding of PNR submit that though a claim has been made on behalf of the person, that the issue is already resolved in another judgment.
My lord.
Namely, judgment is 4-1, 4-1,
23, 23, my lord.
4-1, asked in W 362 of 2018 of the present appears to be barred by time. The first direct to file and raise the further.
Extra copies may kindly be provided.
I have already furnished with the copy on the last day. Yes.
One put the other direct. The other has also under to third copy.
My
Oblige. May I please, my lord? My lord, instructions are awaited in case, my lord. Perhaps sometime may be granted.
90.
Yes, my lord.
Therefore, a bit is there.
Yes, my lord.
The last of into some.
Yes, my lord.
This is done further 3 times to obtain.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, we'll file our, we have filed our memo of parties, newly impeached parties. This respondent number 4 and 5.
Yes, madam, what?
Memo of parties, newly impeached parties. We'll file. In the I Mhm.
You filed IF to implement new part.
Yes.
Has it been decided or not? Not
Yes.
decided.
Yes, memo of parties we have filed today. Newly impeached parties.
You filed a fresh IF.
Implement has been allowed, Lord.
Then
Yes. According to the order dated 17/8/2023, memo of parties
No, the last occasion, my lord, the implementation of party is allowed, but they have not served a copy to ask, my lord. That's why they will serve our president.
We provide the implement has been allowed. We did not.
Here for the petitioner as well as applicant. Your application for implement has been allowed. Now what you have not, what your submission, what submission have you made?
We have filed our memo of parties with the newly implicated parties.
Means you have filed a considered petition for.
We are required to file the memo of parties afresh after the implement is allowed as per the new notification. So that in the new memo of parties we are filing.
Sir, I was allowed by
Arrears.
directing implement of 2 new parties. Thereafter, what memo of party?
My lord, Lordship will have the office note which says that as per the notification of the Honorable Guwahati High Court, my lord, administrative side, we have to file a new memo of parties. A fresh memo of parties is to be filed, my lord. Somehow we missed that. We are filing it today.
That is the amended cost title.
Amended cost title, my lord. I was saying memo of parties. My mistake. The amended cost title, my lord, we are filing.
That is what we are constituted of.
My lord.
Have you done it today?
My lord, it's here, my lord, we are filing.
They will provide us copy.
We will.
Yes. By order at 17/8/2023, passed in IA 1796 of 2023, comma, the prayer for implement of 2 new parties as responsible 4 and 5 was allowed. It is submitted that the amended cost item has been submitted, has been filed today. List after a week. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioner is also directed to serve extra copies upon the. You are appearing for?
I am for labor department.
I'm appearing for. What about for? You serve copies or not? Copies.
Furniture.
Also directed to serve extra copies of the amended of the repetition with corrected cost item upon the London State Council, comma, MS, if London CCC, and the L Sankam for all India. The names of the London Council for the efforts and names for the
Yes, Lordship. WBC is filed 5/40/2020 the petitioner. Now he is expired. So he is legal here. Why pray this petition to substitute for this case? He is expired.
Have you filed amendment?
Yes, yes.
File amendment?
Yes.
Where? Setting aside amendment? Not filed.
Delay petition is filed, also filed Lordship, substitute petition.
Your the case has amended. You have to file
No,
a
no,
petition.
amendment petition is not filed, Lordship.
You have a look at.
Already, Lordship, this case is lead by users.
Doesn't matter. No, you have a look
Yes,
at.
yes,
You have a look at the note. You need to file the application for setting aside evidence. Just have it. On this side, on this side, on the cover, back side of the cover. Back side of the cover. Side. Not the task. First page, back side. The calculation.
Yes, Lordship. Date of
29, 22 expired, 40 to 23. Abatement petition, yes, is
You have to file setting aside evidence. Applicant raise for 2 weeks time to file appropriate application. Set aside evidence. If
That, Lord.
I for
My lord, I am seeking permission to file affidavit in opposition. Because my lord, there was an order that by on or before 12th of September, I was supposed to file. I was directed to file, my lord. But on that day, my lord, I made an accident and suffered injury, so I could not, my lord. Now the affidavit is ready, my lord.
affidavit is ready, you make it. This I has been filed by the responsible. As a
number 9.
My lord, respondent number 9. Typographical.
Your Amina Khatu.
My lord.
By the number 9 as a to file affidavit. Where your MLE.
Lordship.
MLE for the applicant that the affidavit could not be filed within the time due to reason beyond court. Also heard AF but the but I can now and you which have done.
I look.
Publishment.
Transfer method, my lord, this petition 2 years late. The one come matrimony in Guwahati. Transfer. So that is not considered, my lord. Kidney donation, ankle transfer, my lord. Because she has a medical challenge. Kidney donation, then ankle fracture, and there is a post also available, my lord. And now they have
I have got the instructions, so I have also prepared the affidavit. I'll file the affidavit by Wednesday.
Next week.
Therefore,
two free and
rubber boot.
Rubber.
Rubber boot. This file affidavit.
That maybe that if
this on right. Something.
If it may please your lordship, firstly, I would like to appraise the court that it should have been fixed for admissions, your lordship, if the previous order may be perused by your court.
Notice was issued.
Yes, rule was issued. It was returnable in 8 weeks. Your lordship, my counsel, my court.
It is to come forward.
Your lordship, it has to come up for admissions as well as
after issuance of rule.
Your lordship.
What is the meaning of issuing rule?
Indeed, your lordship, they have to. If the
rule means it's already been admitted.
Indeed, your lordship.
After being admitted, it will not come up.
Indeed, your lordship. Your lordship.
Have you filed affidavit?
No, lordship. We have just another thing. Also, we have got the instructions, but recently there is another development. yesterday the AG, Accountant General, has given raised some query and sent a letter to the department, and department is now
What is the
forwarding.
subject matter?
Lordship, pension. They want a higher pension. Provisional pension has been given, Your Lordship, on based on what our perception of what the pension should be. They're claiming a higher pension, and
Your Lordship, it's not exclusively pension. It's also pay slip. Your Lordship, if Your Lordship will hear me out, Your Lordship, to give you a proper.
They have filed an effect with no point hearing the.
Your Lordship, just a submission, Your Lordship. That
will it make any material difference in our order?
Definitely not, Your Lordship.
Let us not waste time. We'll give you proper hearing.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
Let the right time come. Let them file their affidavit.
Indeed,
And who is for the what is the latest some communication?
I have come.
But as the learned council has indicated that the matter is not confined to the aspect of higher pension. They have got other. Just try to incorporate only so that we can decide the matter. Whatever has been pointed.
Probably if the queries are answered this way or that way, then it may also impact all the things, basic pension.
What is your name, Mr. Council?
Indeed, A.M. Barua, Your Lordship.
A.M. Barua, learned council for the petition. C.S. Hazarika, State Council, however, submits that instructions have been given. He hastily adds that very recent a query has been raised by the office of the AG pertaining to the issues involved in the present case. The AG is represented by the Architect Council. You are for
Respondent 6
who's
for
sick?
Mr.
Private?
Mr. SP.
Who is sick?
Department, I'm representing the director.
Director of Employment.
Indeed.
Do you have any role?
Right now, there is a role play. Apparently, in the new, the rules have been changed somewhat. He has to answer the query and all from the.
What is your name?
Angshuman.
Edeka. Also has the Edeka and council. You're not a standing council.
No.
You're for whom?
Mr. SP does.
Learned council appearing on instruction. The SP does. Standing council. Employment and craftsman trade. The learned council response are directed by the affidavit for which 4 weeks time is done.
Yes. Your Lordship, a date may be fixed if it is possible. Your Lordship.
Tell us the date.
After puja.
We'll have it on 8th of November.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
My lord, as per the last order, my lord, that is 14/8/2023, my lord, the respondent number 2 was directed to prepare a fresh check, my lord. Accordingly, we have prepared a check, my lord. They can come to the office and collect it.
And what's your name?
Yes, that's fine. For respondent number 2.
Yes, that's not happy for the however that the fresh check has been prepared. But why we collect the discourse?
Yes, sir, we can give issue a notice, my lord. They can
appoint the office amount for
my lord arrear.
Outstanding salary.
Yes.
Discourse is the bank is required to discourse,
my lord.
And be done. There are this stuff.
Highly obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Our affidavit is almost ready, Lordship. Only due to a transfer of the concerned officer, we just seek 1 week time to submit.
1 week time may be granted.
I put up granted 2 weeks time to file the affidavit.
Master. Obliged.
May it please, my lord. Matter pertains to non-payment of my pension and other pensionary benefits, my lord.
Yes, instruction.
My lord, I have
Affidavit filed.
my lord, affidavit
Affidavit filed, my lord, and last occasion, Honorable Court directed paper to produce the 1979 admit card. Kindly peruse the last order, my lord.
My lord, I have got my original admit card as well. 99 order, my lord, could kindly come.
Insert, my lord.
Mr. Superior for Seva.
Nine, particular nine, quoted.
Shall remain present. That person to that direction probably good. Sharma, let me verify.
My lord, may I make one small prayer? My lord, despite my representation for provisional pension, that has also not been released. If my lord, my lord, may I bring my lord to the annexer, relevant annexer if required?
Our PR, sir.
PR.
Decision has been put original of card of this exam. He had appeared here. This is with the Supreme Court. October 97. This court last as per the of and person the direction of each duty the of the yeah, this and 3 weeks time of instruction. This of by by reflect the name as that the current concept however from has not been method after consideration that that the professional with the which however made outcome whichever subject out.
My lord, may I make a small prayer?
Sri Dharma is also direct to serve to furnish a photocopy of it.
My lord, can the next returnable date may kindly be fixed, my
Yes, to enable him. The photocopy statement along with a copy of the written to enable him to obtain.
My lord, the date may be fixed.
That the matter will be listed.
Immediately after.
You have a copy immediately after. We'll have done 8th of November.
Highly of. Okay.
You take this back. IA for
Lordship, in this WBC, I have filed additional affidavit, Lordship. IA is the to allow the petitioner to sign the register, Lordship, daily attendance register.
Lordship,
we want your response of the IA.
Lordship, finally, see paragraph number 6 of the IA, Lordship. Page
So
number
here
6, Lordship.
we have some time to
Lordship, sometime maybe.
obtain instructions from your right.
Lordship, I have allowed to sign daily teacher attendance register, Lordship. I have communicated all the respondent, Lordship. There is interim order. Interim order, Lordship, kindly see page number.
Eight.
Lordship, page 11, your Lord. Lordship, paragraph 9, your Lordship. Page 13, paragraph 9. Till then, the operational transfer orders went to the cell remains suspended, your Lord.
Hereafter matter again list, Lordship.
Okay, on 9/8/2023, the transfer order was suspended. Stay was given, your Lordship, and on 12/8/2023, he was released from that school, your
Lordship, interim order continued till today, Lordship.
Lordship, I had a talk with the IS, your Lordship, and they have said that they will recall their release order, your Lordship, and he will be allowed. But that has been stated verbally, your
Your name, madam?
D. Dekar.
I heard Ms. D. Dekar and now for the applicant who by means of deputy has paid for a direct to allow her to discharge our duties in career teacher school, Nalbert and sign the attendance register. The running council that the impute order of transfer, which is subject matter of the accompanying litigation, was paid by an order dated 28 which was extended on 1/9.
Till today, the order was.
However, if the applicant has not been allowed her MSc search council appearing for
secondary education department.
secondary education. However, submit that due to certain communication gap, the applicant was released pursuant to transfer order. However, on coming for interim order passed by the court, steps are to reinstate her. Mr. Thorough him, reinstate him in the original post and also original post. See, according to submission, that the grievance raised in I would accordingly be redressed. This is case after this is case on 11th of October for furnishing necessary instructions on the steps taken to reinstate the petition and allow him to search according to direction
Lordship, interim order will be continued till then. I have filed additional affidavit main WPC Lord. Interim order will be continued. Apply.